I just wanna rock. Body out of y'all. Damn.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa.
This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want. 1600 block. I just wanna rock. I just wanna I just wanna rock. Body out of ya. Shorty got that body out of ya. Hit it once, no time. Side up, fuck, you gon' kill my vibe. Stand on my money, don't know my size. Pick them sides, and you better choose wisely. That's my high. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
Yo.
That's my high. Damn. 1, 2, 3, 4, throw up to 5.
MC, make another hit.
Whoa. This ain't what you want.
Project
This ain't what you want. This ain't what you want.
This ain't what you want. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Yo, Circle, you gotta stop telling people that it's called Pop Smoke Dior. because one day they're gonna Shazam it and they're gonna get really mad at you. And you know what happens when the chat gets mad at you? It ain't gonna look too good.
I just wanna rock. Body out of ya.
You don't want angry chat. All right. Damn. What up, chat? Good morning. Yeah, good morning. What's up? Brand new day. Oh, today's a bank holiday. Yeah. I didn't realize. But it's just Japanese yen, so it doesn't really matter. We're trying to New York session anyways, right? It doesn't overlap across with the Asian, so we'll be alright. Yeah. Good morning, chat. What's going on? How you guys doing today? How much people we got in here right now? We got 238 people in here. Okay. I see you guys. Yo, I need everyone right now to hit and leave a like on the stream right now. Right now. Leave a like, drop a like, and sub to the channel, chat, before we get started here. Gonna need 100 likes first before we get started on the analysis today. Does this link still work? Oh, it does. Yeah. Cool. Let's keep playing that. I just want to rock. Oh, yeah. This ain't what you want. I want to hear a song. All right, today's focus. Oh, yo, who won that game? Who won that game, chat? Oh shit. We got like 10 minutes left, right? Messi scored. Sheesh. Bro, but how's Argentina losing right now? Pray for Argentina for real. Yeah, I want to watch it. I don't have a link though. All right. Anyways, let me get this analysis done real quick, chat. I know half of you guys are probably watching the game, but you know, just have me in the background at least. You know, just for more support. Yeah, chat. Today you have no news today. You have no news today. No USD news. All you have today really is cat news, retail sales, right? And then other than that, that's about it. You do have a yen bank holiday today, but it's a yen bank holiday, so it only really affected the Asian session. Now I'm not really sure if my wick streamed the Asian session last night when he knew it was a bank holiday, but I mean, hopefully Asian session went well for him. I'm guessing it did. Oh, but yeah, chat. Oh wow, we have a nice 1 hour closure here in about 16 minutes here, chat. Beautiful closure. Okay. What do horses, DJ? Other than that, chat, you have interest rates today. Send a link. Yo, if you send me a link on my Discord, I'll post it on the screen on the little corner top left. All right. But yeah, you have NZD interest rates tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern and 9 p.m. Eastern. So but yeah, those are pairs that we're not really focused on at the moment, anyways, right? We're only focused on USD CAD. or sorry, the dollar and the pound. I can't speak today. Yeah, this is relevant to us, but it is gonna be happening tonight, 8 p.m. Eastern. Fun story. I think one of the last times I ever traded news, it was because it was on this folder here. It was on the interest rates for the NZD dollar, and that was the last time I ever touched news. Man, have you guys ever seen your account? You know, it's okay to get slipped and lose money, but man, this is like way back. This is like 2018, right? So 2018, my ass was over leveraging it. I was like, yo, I thought it was a good idea to really find a 1 to 100 leverage and then go full send, put all my funds into that. Oh, not all my funds, but like, you know, a decent portion of like a decent account. I put like, I think for how much it was really, but it was somewhat decent. But yeah, 1,000 leverage. My ass went full margin. Like I maxed it out to a point where I heard was done, you know, the little MT5 sound. So like, yeah, and then next thing you know, it's not the fact that I got slipped. It's the fact that it slipped my stop loss. So you know when it slips or stop, or sorry, no, I didn't even have a stop loss, right? So it just like full margin my account out, and then the account went into negatives. I've never seen anything like that ever. I'm thinking nowadays a lot of brokers have like broker protection, right? So you don't really gotta pay back your broker. But back then, man, some brokers didn't have that. And yeah, that was one of the last times I ever traded news. Well, not the last time I traded news. I traded news after that, but that was a pretty interesting event. Not gonna lie. Do you buy stuff, sell stuff today, sir? No. All right. Anyway, chat. Let's see. Open my Discord up and see what's going on. When Don's DGen? Yes, sir. Just like the chat, huh?
For those tuning in, I'm telling them about this potential big upset, but how has this happened? Like, how do you put this in perspective?
All right, I found a weird chat. We're gonna do both at the same time today. Hold on. I mean, ads, man. Hold on. All right, found a way. It's gonna be like for like maybe 8 minutes. All right, anyways, chat. But yeah, taking a look at today's analysis here. It's gonna be pretty interesting. You have a very nice day candle closure on gold today right now. You have a very nice closure. The closure is basically just you have a very strong bearish closure today, right? So if you take a look here, let me just pop the zoom up real quick. Give me a second. You have a beautiful closure today. Lots of opportunities today. Lots of ranges. It's a matter of what is this? Position is off. Okay. I don't know what that is, but boom. Sorry, I still have a food coma from last night, chat. I ate too much food last night. I cooked and we ate too much food. All right, so yeah, chat, you have if you take a look at gold here, right? Gold for the weekly, as you can see, is pretty bearish, right? The only thing I will say about the weekly time frame is one, it closed right at the support level, so I'm still respecting these levels here to the left. Still respecting these levels. Didn't really close below. However, it's still a bearish closure. So with the fact that we closed bearish, I would expect us to create a steeper top wick this week for us to continue down towards next support. If you look left, your next support is probably gonna be somewhere in this zone here at the 1720 mark. That's just the overall outlook for the weekly. It won't really affect our current 10 pip, 20 pip ranges, right? Obviously, but it's just a higher time frame, something to keep in mind for when you're looking in trade this week. If you drop down to the daily time from here today, the daily time today has a pretty solid closure. You had a resistance here at one point, right? And since you broke back into the range yesterday's candle, today's candle is likely to just continue down because the next support you have here is probably going to be somewhere in this zone here at the 1729 mark. All right, so I would expect us to flip bearish here. Once you flip bearish, you should be able to come down towards the 727 mark. It's pretty nice. Or if you want to anticipate the flip on price to drive down, you can just probably anticipate sells on a small time frame using the daily count today, right? So like using the 30, 1 hour and such on a small time frame to anticipate how we're gonna flip. I'm gonna show you guys an example in a bit. Yeah, sells for me for the day today, since we're bearish, would probably be let's see. So right now you have this resistance over here. We know that for a fact, right? We have a very strong resistance over here. We have a support down here. And then you can say, well, if you close below the support, you can likely drive down here towards the next support. The thing with this is it gets very tough in these ranges here. There's a lot of levels, right? There's like this level over here. There's this level up here, this level down here, this level up here, this level down here. So there's tons of levels here. I'll also just say anything below, let's see, it's kind of hard to really choose from here. So that's where the day flips that. Okay, interesting. You have a support down here, which is pretty straightforward and clear. So let's get that out of the way first. Because the price breaks below 32 today, then there's a high chance we're likely gonna just drop down towards the 15. I want to see if you have another minor support here. Yeah, another minor support right here at the 24 mark. All right, yeah, chat. So I'll say honestly, technically speaking, with the day bias being bearish, if you close below like 1747 today, there's sell opportunities coming down towards the 1739 mark, right? That range to fill. That's not a bad range at all. It's a range of possibly 70 pips here. And then obviously you have more closures below 739. I'll say anything below 739, you have more sell opportunities to drive down towards 732, and then obviously your daily targets are going to be at like 1715 or 1724, right? I think that's the same daily target we had yesterday, because nothing really changed in price action the past 2 days. It's still a bearish trend, right? With the bearish kind of closures. But yeah, pretty bearish. I'll say sells below 1739 will be clean to drive down towards 732, possibly even sells below 1747, but I'll let you guys know exactly what I do with the sells in this area here in a bit. But as for GJ here, chat, GJ has a pretty nice closure of small time from here. But before I get into that real quick, let's start off with the weekly. So as you can see, the weekly on GJ is a range 1, right? It was at one given point closing back into the range here. But since you closed bullish back above the range, this equals a range 1, aka / fake out. Since the overall daily bias is bullish here, the overall structure is bullish on price. It's been bullish I think since April. With us closing back into the range here, I would expect us to drive up now towards the next resistance, which is going to be the 171 mark. So this weekly candle should do something like this, come up to tap the next resistance like so, towards that level. This range to fill, I believe, is a range of 500 pips. It's not too bad for the weekly. Again, it's just a weekly time frame. you still have to count for the small time from today, which is the daily and 1 hour, 30 minutes, etc. Right? But as for the day today, ooh, no topic on a daily. Yeah, daily closed bullish. Yeah, it closed bullish. That's great and all. However, it closed no top wick, which is interesting. I would prefer if it had a wick because then it leaves range for us to drive up. But if you're closing right at resistance with the wick or with no wick, you're in a tough spot, right? So I would say, if anything, I mean, our daily bias is bullish today, but I will be open for range to sell since the daily bias, since the daily candle has no top wick, which is no range to drive, right? So open at range to sells. However, looking for buys. Make sense? So if I'm looking for sells today, that would probably be below here because you have a resistance here on price. You have another support right around here at these levels here. So this is the range that you're breaking back into, and this is, I guess you can say, your previous resistance. You can say it's somewhere up here at the top of this range here. So basically, you're in the range from 168.082 to 167.614. That's the range you're going to spend a majority of your NY session in, right? This range right here until you actually break out. So you want to see a breakout. Obviously, anything below here for me would be valid for sells. If you close up in 4 minutes, we'll take sells in 4 minutes coming down on GJ to fill the range coming down towards the 167.229. All right. But yeah, that's probably what I'll wait for. That's probably what I'm looking for here in this case. Might even adjust this down to here actually. But yeah, chat, should be a pretty straightforward day. Damn, that's a nice forward candle too. Yeah, pretty straightforward day. I mean that's all we're gonna wait for really, right? Just sells below here on GJ. A closure below would be valid, like so, on 30 or 1 hour time frame, ready to drop down, or 2, we get buys above, I'll say above 168, 178, 175 for buys. But until we actually break out this range here, we don't gotta worry about that just yet, right? It's not that relevant yet. Oh, is that just now, chat? Am I tripping? Did he just say that was his head right now? That's crazy. Oh, no ads, please. Oh my gosh, I hate these ads. All right, I'm gonna leave it. These ads make you fight for your life, huh?
Saudi Arabia has never won a World Cup opener.
Damn, that's crazy. That is crazy. Oh, watch out, for real. Nigga HD actually might pop up. For real, for real. All right, we're gonna watch it right here. Perfect. How much minutes we got left? We got like a minute left. All right. +8. Ole. Yo, anything is possible, chat. Game's not over yet. What up, Charles? Good morning. Can you break down US30? Yeah, in a bit. I usually break down US30 like when NMR session opens up, right? So around 8 o'clock, 8 p.m. Sorry, 8 a.m. 8 p.m. Jeez. Sorry, that food coma is still in me. Still got a food coma from yesterday. What up, Dustin? Good morning. What's going on? Unleash your potential in betting today. No, I don't want to unleash my potential in betting. small a little bit. Oh. Let's see. Oh, Argentina. After your whole parlay. Yo, wait. So they lose once. Like, there's no chance they're making the next stages. Like, not one slight chance at all. Like, you just can't lose or something. Or you need like a win and a tie. Yeah, they're not all right. It goes by 2 games. Depends on how the other teams plays. They can tie it up here. Damn, knee to the face. That's crazy. Anyway, chat, you have a 1 hour closure here. We have a 1 hour closure here. So yeah. This kind of right here didn't really close below the ranges here. It kind of just closed respecting the support here. I really wanted a closure below 167.553. Unfortunately, didn't get that. So it looks like we're gonna have to wait for a stronger closure below, right? Because a closure respecting indicates that it's still respecting, doesn't mean anything, right? It's being treated like any other candle out there. It's nothing special about that candle. It's just being respected. The same level is being respected all day. Until you actually get a closure below, that doesn't indicate volume, right? So that closure below indicates volume. Until you get that closure, it's irrelevant, right? It's just in the range. So not much we can do here on GJ just yet. As for gold, or at least nothing I can do really. Gold closed bullish above here, which is interesting. The day bias is bearish, right? If the day bias was bullish, I would definitely be down for buys here, but this end given point could still be a range 1 or range 2 breakout. Yeah, especially the fact that the forward candle is still being respected too. Like if maybe the forward candle was a little different, it closed above like this range here. The forward candle bias wouldn't be too bad going up towards like 17.52 here, 17.51. But with the forward candle being the way it is, I'm not too interested in these buys here right now. On price at least. I'll say buys for me would probably be, because if you can break the data highs, which is going to be like 17.53, which is going to be somewhere up here, right above this range, 17.53, then that wouldn't be too bad. Above there for buys for me today, probably. I'll say buys above here, range 2, right? And there's sells below 739 for sells. But that's probably what I'm looking for. Who's playing next today? France, Denmark, Poland. Sear 797, check gold if it breaks its own high enters. Maybe I just explained to you that I will not be looking for buys here because it's a range 1. Just listen in chat, you gotta listen in chat. Just explain why I'm not interested in buys. Just go back like literally 30 seconds. I literally just explained it. And now you're probably gonna ask me, or you're gonna say, "Oh, sorry, I just came." Yeah, I'd be here at 6:30, man. You can't become late to class and asking questions, right? You missed half the lesson already. You missed the whole analysis. Y'all just like hear my voice, huh? Oh. What up, Kay? What's going on? Am I delayed on the stream chat? Any sports bet in Canada? Yeah, but I don't really sports bet. My boy does. I know a lot of people that do sports bet, but I don't really sports bet now. Yeah, like chat, we're watching his channel. It's pretty heavy right now, right, chat? Like, if you guys take a look at this channel right here, yeah, just use this and attack me really. But man, look at this candle here, chat. This candle is insane right here. Nice candles here, you know. Looking at some nice candles here. Would you not consider gold to be breaking back into this range and therefore buys would be valid? Would you not consider gold to be breaking back into this range and therefore buys would be valid? No, the thing is, like, the idea isn't bad, like a closure above, but with the way the 4 count closed, right, it's still being respected by this resistance here. It's in a tough situation for me. I'm not really interested in buys. Maybe the 4 count close above the range, then buys wouldn't be too bad. They wouldn't be looking too bad, but yeah, it's just the 1 hour time from the really close above, really. Let's see, maybe if you can form like a support here, like so let's say like maybe this 1 hour candle, this next 1 hour candle, or this 30 candle, you close bearish like so, and then you get the seller replay. That wouldn't be too bad. I'll attempt buys then, if you can get that. That probably won't come until like 7:38, if anything, right? The idea is there though. The idea makes sense for the buys going up towards 17.53. It's over. It's over, right? Or it should be over, no? Yo, one thing I never understood, chat, is in football, how does this like +8 thing work? Like, I can't know how it works to get +8 minutes, but like, how do they calculate that? Is it through like all the stoppages throughout the game? They just kind of add up. Oh, it's over. For half. These yeah, that's how they do it. They just kind of, okay, cool. I thought when soccer players flop or football players flop, my bad. When football players flop, they just kind of kill time on purpose. But I guess they just kind of add up at the end, right? Game's over. Ah, shit. Jeez. Okay, yeah, stop just when time the ball is up. Makes sense. Yo, at least Messi scored though. All right, now we're back on track. Wouldn't it make sense more for GJ range 2 sell at 16717? No, I got these as a range 3 right here because you have like this. Like if I were to remove all my tools, right, you kind of have this right here formed. Then you have this right here, which is your 1 range, and then this is your 2nd range. They just form right here. So if anything, this is a range 3 breakout, or yeah, technically a range 3 breakout. Or you can just look at it as this, just yeah, like range 1, range 2, I guess. You say this as well, right? And then below here is valid for sells. That's how, at least that's how I have it up. And text markers. Hey, Brian, after you go buy some 30-minute flip? No, I mentioned it already. I mentioned it about 6 times. You just come early. All you gotta do is, come here early. Come here at 6:30. Don't come here at 6:40, 6:50. Come here for the intro. So you're ahead of you're ahead of time. But no, I won't be looking for buys here because of the 4-hour candle. The 4-hour candle for me still closing respecting resistance. Therefore, I'm not really interested in buys here. If we get a bearish closure, however, respecting 1747 with the top wick, and you break the highs on our next 30 closure at 7:30 to 8, then I'll take the buys at 7:30 to 8. But I'm not really interested in buys on just 30-minute flip. No worries. It's just I had the same question I had the same question 6 times the last 5 minutes. I don't mind repeating questions, right? But if it's like the same question back to back to back, like, come on, are you guys not listening, bro? I know there's a soccer game on, bro, but don't be that student in class, Don't be that student in class. The ones that comes late. I didn't ask a lot of questions. Come on, chat. Focus. Best thing to do is have your charts marked up before the stream and then compare it to your analysis done. Yeah, I know a lot of people that do that. I think who used to do that a lot was Carlo. He used to do that. He used to do that a lot. Yeah, it's a great way to keep up. But my analysis isn't always gonna be A1, right? My levels aren't always gonna be A1 because this is based off my judgment, really. So like if I'm teaching you guys something, like if I'm teaching you guys how to draw certain levels up, it's kind of based off my judgment. Like I mean, I guess so. Yeah, I guess they're trying to learn from me. Makes sense. Felix Jr., what's going on? Good morning. I always say, chat, like marking your support and resistance, it's cool and all, but what's important and the key takeaway to that is like understanding why you're marking your levels, where you're marking your levels up at, and not just marking it up at those levels just because the person next to you or the person you're watching is doing it, right? So you want to make sure it makes sense every time. Like you want to make sure it's a consistent plan every time. It's not like random. One day you're marking them off of these wicks, one day you're marking off these bodies. Like what's the main reason why you're marking them up, where you're marking them up at? There's gotta be a reasoning. Yeah, we still got games today. I think they gave me 8 AM. Damn. Close button to 5. I'm in chat. Yes, and definitely take bias though, right, chat? Yes, and definitely still take bias. You could definitely still take buys. Just the 4 counts holding me back, especially with the daily being bearish. Like if the day's average today was bullish, then different story, right? I wouldn't really be concerned about the 4 hour time frame. I would just be looking at the 1 hour. But since the 4 hour candle is respecting resistance with the day buys being bearish though today, or until you break the highs at least, it's very tough for me to take buys there. It doesn't mean that it can't play out. It can definitely still play out. There's definitely a high probability it plays out, but with the day buys and such, just too much interference trade for me. But it doesn't mean you can't take it, right? Just because I'm not taking it doesn't mean it's not a good trade. Sometimes it might be a better trade that I'm not taking it, right? So just take yourselves as you normally would. Don't get what's the word I'm looking for? Look at distracted with someone else's analysis. Trust your own analysis. Trust your own analysis before you trust anyone else's analysis. Because you know what? At the end of the day, from the beginning of your journey, all you've been doing is trusting your analysis. So what's the difference today? This is another day in the markets. What do you trust more, TradingView into 5? TradingView. Because I've been marking up on TradingView for like since I first started trading. I would never mark up MT5. I hate my MT5 markups. I just have MT5 up here just to have it trade displayed. But I hate the desktop MT5. I don't think I don't even like put buy stuff sell stops on my desktop. I put it on my iPhones though, on my mobile. I just have this MT5 displayed for you guys, but I don't even use this. I hate it. But for candle closures, oh yeah, TradingView. I've been marking up on TradingView and doing analysis on TradingView since I first started trading. I wouldn't just switch. Like you know, some days markets are a little different, or the prices are a little different on each broker. Like MT5 might be 5 pips off from TradingView. It doesn't mean that one day just because TradingView or MT5 is looking cleaner than TradingView, I'll go on MT5 and mark up there instead. I'll just be on TradingView still, right? But whatever program you choose to follow and do analysis on, just make sure you stay consistent with that platform. You don't want to be jumping from MT5 to TradingView. Whatever you mark up on, just stick to that one. That's all I've been doing, really. New to the stream, do you consider DXY chart when trading? No, I don't. We don't look at DXY or anything else to validate where gold's gonna go, right? We just look at gold because we know where DXY, like we know what the DXY is doing right now. If you look at a daily time frame, look at gold here. The DXY is probably driving up right now, right? Overall, like the past, like I say a month, it's probably been going down DXY, but as for the past couple of days, it's probably been going up. The pullback probably. Let's take a look. What was it again? There you go. Yeah, see? So yeah, similar charts. All you gotta do is really go like this. This is gold basically. Look. Same shit. Right? So what's, it's the same shit. It's just lagging. Not lagging, but it's like you don't need to look at DXY to trade gold. Just look at gold. Gold will tell you everything off of its own chart. I seen using a DXY as like using an indicator. It's equivalent. It's equivalent to that. So yeah, we don't really use the DXY. The Apple unbanned to 5? I don't think so. Not gonna lie. So wait, so what are new traders using right now? Or there hasn't been new traders now that there's no 5. Also new, where can I practice trade? Any good simulators? Honestly, I like simulators and all, but I think something that's better than simulators is current market data. Current market data, right? Show up every day to one selected session that you want to focus on and sample size that session every day. I'm still sample sizing New York session as we speak. It's been almost 4 years now, but improving every day, right? So yeah, show up every day and sample size the NY session every day. Sample size certain setups, certain trade ideas. I believe that's better than trading on a simulator, because on a simulator you have no emotions. Yes, it's great to sample size your strategy, but when you're simulating on a simulator, you're able to skip through candles. There's no patience involved there. You can just say, oh, I don't want to wait for this 15 close. I'm just gonna skip it. Next 15, boom, 15 closes. Right? So there's no you're not really practicing your discipline, and on top of that, there's no emotions involved. And a huge part of emotions comes from you being patient and waiting for candles to close, because a lot of traders can't wait for candles to close. They see candles move, like right now, for instance, gold. They see it moving and they're like, yeah, I want the buys. I want the buys. So yeah, back then I used to use a simulator, but it was really just to like find a direction and price, like the bias, just to see if I was right or wrong. But it's, I don't know, moving forward, lay down the road, I realized that I wasn't as efficient. And what's more efficient, just showing up every day to the live streams. Right, so we actually have a sample size now, spreadsheet if you guys want to follow along with. Do exclamation point sample size in the chat. A link should pop up, and this should help you out with sample size and current data. They want a sample size. Do you send signals to your VIP? No, not Telegram. No, we do it on Discord. It's only Discord. Use MT5 on Safari. Yeah, with the mobile device though, you can't use that, right? There's no mobile. You can still use MT5 on your desktop, right? You just can't use it on a mobile device. Unless there's Safari on MT5 on the mobile, which is kind of weird. Let me see. Is that a thing, chat? Don't tell me that's a thing. MT5 mobile. There's no way you can use it on your phone like that. Okay, so no apps available. Huh? Whoa. That's trippy. You can go on your MT5. You can go on your MT5 on your mobile device on the web browser, not the app. Just search up MetaTrader Web Trader MQL5. And it's the first link. Click on it. You log into your account, enter your broker. Sheesh, that's kind of cool. Got every broker too. Got Blueberry, yeah. MT4, MT5. Damn. Yeah, chat, like, kind of cool. You just can't download the app. Yeah, so if you don't have the app, then you can do this. That's kind of cool. If you do have the app though, then don't delete the app, okay? Whatever you do, you don't delete the app. What up, K? Dude, chat, which logo do you guys like, guys? Let me know, chat. Let me know. For some reason, it won't let me. There's only 4 options max. I have to do this poll instead. But which logo do you guys like? Can I do a poll here, Ashley? Let's do a poll here, chat. Let's do a poll here. Which logo? 1, 2, 3, 4. See, it's only 4. Why can't there be 5 options? But yeah, chat. These are our logos that we're looking. So we're looking at like this logo. I personally like this one. This is one I like. It's simple. It's just a chill logo. It's controller, right, for C, and inside you got the joystick, and this is like a currency. This is the currency of the markets, right? That's what it is. So that's kind of cool. Number 2, you got just the currency notes, right? The C notes. Just money, just a C. It represents a C. Kind of cool. I like it, but it's just like I don't know. It's something about it. I don't know what it is. 3. This is 3. I like it, but I don't know. It has nothing to do with my brand, really. It's just like a controller, I guess. But I want something trading involved. This kind of cool too, but it's just too chaotic. It's just too much, man. I like it, but I don't like these. I don't like these candles here. Like I don't like the candles here, to be honest. I get why it's there. It's there because the effects, right? So this is gonna be this is the controller, and this is the F on top. If you guys look at the F, it's gonna be right here. Right? That's the F. So you flip that, and then the X. This is the X. This is the X right here. Not bad, but I don't know, something about these candles. Maybe it'll grow on me, but this is kind of cool. I like this idea. This is kind of cool. I don't like the logo the way it looks, but I like the idea. It's like exchange ticker, right? So you see how the numbers are changing. So basically, this is just this, but it's just the middle of it. It's just cropped out. So it's like ticking, but it says controller FX. Kind of clever, right? The C, the F, and the X, the two half circles. Kind of fire. I like this idea a lot. I just don't like the way the logo looks, because I want a simple logo. I don't want like anything too complex. And obviously we have this one. We have this one as well, but I like this one a lot too. Like, but it's just the fact that it's not a logo. It's like it says controller FX. It's just CFX. I want like a logo. And like a simple logo, right? So what do you guys think? 1? Yeah, 1, right? 1 or 4? Okay, what's 4 again? The CFX thing? Yeah. 4 ain't bad. 1, 3? I said 3. 3. I like 3 is my first choice. Before, like that was the first revision. Alright, we got a lot of 1s. I'm going with 1 probably, to be honest. It's probably gonna be a different color anyways, right? That's just the logo. Would you consider buys on GJ since the day is bullish? Yes, I will be looking for buys on GJ. But I believe buys for me are above here. It's gonna be above 168, 169. Okay, or even like 168 here, 215 to be honest. The man, the myth, the legend, Wix 8. We ain't got Wix 9 no more. Wix 9 has officially cut ties with Wix 8. What's the deal?
I'm gonna turn into Wix 9 as soon as I light this. What's the deal, everybody?
What's the deal, chat?
Wix 8 all of last week. And so did the audience. You guys all ate. Hey, almost at 4K. Yo, 3.9K chat. Can we get like 70 more to get to 4K? Let's go. Go sub to your boys' channel. I don't like any of them. I'm just saying. All right, next topic. Before I get in trouble.
I know what you like, Wix.
It's a beautiful morning. Dun, 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 dun.
You know what you like, Wix? I know what you like. This is what you like.
What I like.
I know damn well this is something you like. You like something like this, right?
Shit was whoa. No.
This is what you like right here.
No.
This right here is what you
into,
like.
I'm not into like cartoonish and anime shit, except like it's got to be funny. I don't like the cool drawing, right? No, I like the clever shit.
Like this?
I like the idea that you just had with the rolling ticker. But you're right. I just don't like the way it looks.
Yeah. That's not something about it. You like these though?
No,
I
these are all
I hated every Forex logo out there. I've never saw a logo out there that was like, yo, this is a sick Forex logo. I don't know, something about these logos are just like, it's not the same.
Logo.
It's just a bull or bear. It's just
I have a me logo. With
everyone
a
does the
little
same
forest in
then.
it. I don't have a four. Just me. You gotta have a U logo.
You know
like a
what?
community
I think the
logo
best
with-
logo is just a picture of Wix now. You know.
I have a bullish celery play tattooed on my cheek. On my logo.
I mean, if it's not on your face cheek, then it's probably on.
No, it's on my face. It's on my face. Look at my logo.
Man, I ate so much food yesterday. My right eye started swelling up.
No, it didn't.
Okay, then I think I don't know. And my eyes never swell up like ever. But for some reason, my right eye just maybe soap got into my eye or something. But
No.
yes, yeah, it's not that noticeable to be honest. It can't go down, but
Happens to me if I break up the bud with my hands instead of a grinder, and then I touch my eye, and then it goes, oh shit, shouldn't have done that.
and it's my day. Did you cook by yourself? Yeah, I cooked everything here. I literally cooked everything. The chimichurri had a little help. Like I made it, and then we add some extra stuff. My girl helped
That's
me
what I
with
was
the
gonna
flavor.
say. The sauce, the chimichurri sauce.
But the
was
steak,
was that homemade or is that?
that was homemade. That was homemade. We made that. I bought parsley. We chopped it up with garlic, and then we put like some
Because I just buy the ready chimichurri sauce.
red wine
I-
vinegar, small olive oil, chili peppers.
Now, when you
put some
cook, do you do
lime.
it like in cooking shows? Do you place everything into like little plates? Like, do you like organize into little plates before like all the ingredients before adding them together?
Depends. If I'm lazy, no.
Like,
But
will
if
you actually get like a teaspoon of salt and like a
like-
teaspoon of vinegar and have them in like little trays?
like if I'm on my Drake shit, I'll put it into little different cups, right? But if I'm not on my Drake shit, then I just kind of mix up. I'm just like whatever, bro. Nah.
Someone paid me $100K to tattoo a bull on your lower back. Would you do it? I mean, that's actually not a bad tattoo. I'd probably do it just for free, but like, would I take $100 grand for a tattoo on my body? No, I'd probably ask for at least $500,000. At least before any needle touches my body. I'm gonna be able to, nah, I'm scared. This shit hurts. Ow. I want $500,000. $500,000. Do we have $500,000? And if we get $500,000, I'll do it.
Yeah, I swear Wix is a paid actor sometimes. Yeah, how much do you get paid?
Paid for what, bro? This is Tuesday morning. You guys should be excited. We got 4 more days of trading. This is fucking incredible. Oh, no, we don't. This is Thanksgiving weekend now.
Yeah, yo, are you here on Friday?
Hell no.
Yeah, that's food coma day, right? Friday's a food coma day. Hashtag
coma, you
slash
kidding me?
Black Friday.
I'm going to turn on the stream and be like, that's stuffing. Made me stuff.
No, but yeah, I won't be streaming on Thursday, chat. Thursday, no stream. Friday, maybe no stream as well. However, Wednesday, I will be streaming tomorrow, but that might be the last stream for the week. I'll let you guys know how the week goes, really. But it's been a pretty slow week. Haven't had a trade yet, but let's kill it this week, guys. Yeah, 1 or 2 days, depending on how you feel. But yeah. Beautiful morning, right, Wix? It's a beautiful morning.
No way you have that much energy this early. Here's the thing. No way if it was like one time I have energy and then like for 4 days I don't have energy. Then it's like, suspicious. Kinda suspicious. What's he doing? Why doesn't he not have energy today then? But this is me, dog. I'm like this every day. The whole point to wake up, be in a good mood, and set a positive vibe, and people around you feed off your energy and they want to be around you, right? You don't want to be around somebody that's just dragging and just like sponging off all your energy and ugh, while you wake up all happy and shit, and then you run into them and you're like, oh fuck, they just took all my energy. You ever get those, like the energy vampires? They just suck all your energy away when you hang out with them. They're just difficult to hang out with.
Yeah, for sure.
They just eat your energy away, right? And it's like, fuck. You just get worn out just by having a conversation. I can't do that. So I gotta bring the positive vibes in it. I've learned that it attracts people. I've learned that people want to hang out with people that are positive and happy, and you don't want to see somebody. You don't even want, like, even if somebody's happy but they have like something bad happen, you don't want to hang out with them, right? You don't want to hear them while they're giving you bad news and all that shit. No.
But what if that's just dumb, you know?
It's very hard. It's very difficult to constantly hang out with somebody who's always dragging down. Like,
You can live in the law of attraction. Hell yeah. I don't know why it's called law of attraction.
it's more like the rule of thumb of attraction.
What's it called?
No,
Why is it called the rule of thumb?
Because there's no law. We call it the rule of thumb.
Energy vampires. I can't believe that's a thing. Is that actually a thing? Energy vampires.
Yeah, like energy vamp. People that suck away your energy. Like you meet them. Like you going out to the club and then you meet them and they're constantly, or you're going anywhere and every time you see them, they're just like, something is wrong or something is off or something is pissing them off or they're just not in a good mood for any weird reason. I don't know. Fucking, I don't know. Old Navy ran out of khakis and you just see them and they're fucking pissed. Yo, no more khakis for me.
Oh, Nate,
Right? I can't fucking, work for State Farm anymore. Fuck it. I need to.
Not like I understand when people like get like have a bad day, but I no matter how bad of a day I have, I'll never take it on someone else. Like I'll never make them have a bad day as well.
Like everything will piss them off. Like anything. Like, right? The price of beans go up 60 cents. Fucking pissed, man. No. I'm just saying. People that just always anger, just down, and I'm telling you,
just like the chat,
like,
man.
they suck away your energy, and that they're called energy vampires.
You know who's the energy vampire? TT.
Yeah,
TT's an energy vampire for real in chat.
Like,
that's not my trade. Come on, man. Really? On our stream? That's not your trade?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's kind of lie. Yo, chat. Who in the chat is an energy vampire here? See TT, man. TT here? Oh, TT's here.
Why are you ganging up on TT? Maybe TT's. Everybody needs a TT in their life.
You know what's funny? The whole chat's been waiting for this flipper since 6:30 and it still hasn't flipped yet. Chat, this channel hasn't flipped since 7 a.m. yet, chat. So at this point, are you guys deleting yourselves, your biceps, or are you guys still gonna be waiting here? What are you guys doing? You seen the Argentina game, Wix? Argentina lost, but Messi scored though.
Yeah.
But as long as Messi scored, I'm happy.
As long as Messi scored, fuck Messi. All that needs to happen right now is Brazil needs to lose its opening match, and and then my two favorites for the finals are fucking.
Wasn't it England and?
I really thought it was gonna be Brazil and Argentina. I think that's the two teams.
No Portugal?
No, I don't think Portugal is that stacked.
Bro, yeah, wasn't Argentina like?
Argentina is fucking stacked. Brazil is stacked beyond belief.
TT, what's going on? What up, TT? What's going on today? Hope you're having a good day.
TT's like, nah, I don't agree with your energy vampires thing.
What's up, TT?
Like it's crazy. Argentina will beat like the top teams in the world and then lose to Saudi Arabia.
Sounds like the Maple Leafs to me.
Sounds like the Rangers of the 90s.
Sounds like Arsenal to me, no?
Marcus on here?
Marcos? No, he was.
He was? Oh fuck.
That guy is a vampire.
Marcos, come back. I need your Go XLR.
$2, Leo. Thanks for the $2. Thank you. You're from? I'm from Canada. Where are you from?
No, you're from what?
Yo, Leo, did you know you can donate and then ask a question too? You don't gotta send it separately unless there's a limit. If you had to start over trading, what would you do? If I had to start over trading, what would I do?
If you had to start
man.
over trading?
No, if I had to start over trading, like start over with trading.
If you had to start over trading, what would you do? I take positions all the time.
No, if you had to start over trading, what would I do? I would probably just honestly, one thing I'll do, I'll probably just tune out all the noise and just focus on me. Focus on my strategy. If something doesn't work out, I'm gonna find out that doesn't work out. I'm not gonna let some guy on the internet tell me that doesn't work out. I'm not gonna let my best friend, my best trader friend know that this doesn't work. I'm gonna find out myself, right? So that's why I'm very stubborn when it comes to trading. I'm very stubborn. Like chat sometimes gives me recommendations for things to take. I'm not taking those positions. It's not that I have an ego built up that I don't want to take your position because I just think I'm better than you. No, it has nothing to do with that. It has more so to do with if I'm taking something that's been working for me all year long or for the past couple of years, I'm gonna take that stuff every day. I don't care what anyone says to me. And if it ends up being a losing trade long term, I'm gonna figure it out myself. Right? We have a spreadsheet for that keeps track of all our trades. So I'm able to tell if something doesn't work out or not. Right?
It's really hard to do when you're either new or not as confident. Let's say you found consistency, but you haven't been consistent for a long time. It's very hard not to listen to other people because everyone has an opinion, everyone has a voice, and everyone can sound legitimate for a second or two, right? So it's hard when you've made up your mind this is what you're doing, and then people are like, no, that's not right.
Yeah,
it's
influence easily.
They can sound really confident where it would influence you real easily. And if you don't have the confidence built up yet, man, I used to do that all the time. Winning trades, I know more than these people. I spend more time on the charts than these people. And then I'm in a trade and someone's like, no, it's because of this or because of that. It shouldn't go here. And I close out my trade and then the trade drives. And I'm like, yo, what am I doing? Like, who the fuck am I listening to? I'm listening to some knucklehead who's fucking, who's read a book or just doesn't trade or just sounds decent. And like, no, I got more experience than you. And like, yo, let this be my mistake, not yours. Or let this be my win. And after a while, it's very hard to tune out the noise. But like, I think running a stream helps that a lot. When I'm running a stream, there's no noise. I mean, there's a lot of noise, but it's very easy to tune out because you realize where you are. How was the Asian session? It was rangy. We ranged together for 2.5 hours, but guess what? We did it together. There was a lot of noise, but we didn't listen to it. But it's very hard until you found your consistency. It's very, very hard to tune out the noise, but it's very key. It's counterintuitive. It's like, hey guys, what do you think of this? Oh, well, I don't care what you think of this, right? Because you're always asking for an opinion or for someone to read your chart or someone give you some input. And then at some point you kind of have to be like, yo, leave your input to yourself. Like, I can't listen to any more of your input because it's affecting what I'm doing.
Affecting my analysis.
Yeah, but then after a while, it's just like, you could say whatever you want. You're not going to affect my analysis. That's just you, and this is me. Wow, what a good answer. Wow.
Yeah, clip that yourself.
Huh?
Yeah, clip that yourself.
No, not for me. I'm telling you. I mean, like,
oh,
very, very, very good answer. Like, what would you do different? Probably tune out the noise, right? Do what you're doing. That's not what I would have said, but very, very profound.
Yeah. But again, like when you're first starting off, like you don't really know what's right and what's wrong, right? So half the time you're getting lucky half the time.
There's a fine line between, needing somebody else's opinion and at some point just breaking away from all other opinions, and sticking to yours. A very fine line when you're not even going to notice when it happens. You're just going to be like, oh shit, I'm done listening to these people. Will you be adding new plays to your playbook? Well, there's going to be an audible or two.
Will you be adding new plays to your playbook? Yeah, we are working every day to be to add new plays to our stuff, new plays to our playbook and such. But where's our playbook right now? There's not much we really added this year. It's more so of different nuances, such as comics. I mean, I guess comics open, yeah, but it's not really a play. It's like we're using the same setups, just with a different volume time, right? So instead of like the ADM opening, we're gonna use it during the A20 opening for comics open, the commodity exchange open, right? So we're keeping the same stuff though. We're keeping the same breakouts, closures, fake outs. All that stuff remains the same. The only thing that changes really is just
The application,
yeah.
but where we're applying it.
Yes.
Has the next game started yet? What do we have? We have,
ADM.
what is it, France?
Yeah.
Ninja? Who's playing? Denmark, Tunisia. Denmark had their captain injured, right? What happened to him at the Euros thing?
So this is the hockey guy. Yeah, it's ADM, no?
Ericsson. There we go. Denmark, Tunisia. I remember that in the first match. Remember, he just fell down middle of the field. He was walking
Oh
and just
shit!
collapsed.
Yeah.
Is he back?
Well, how long ago was
playing?
that? How long ago was that?
I was in the Euros. Remember, we were watching that.
We were watching that.
Yeah.
Hockey guy. Excuse me. I know more about soccer than anyone in this chat.
Plays for United in the Premier. No, he's basement. Yeah, but is he on the national team? He has to be, right? He's nasty. Their best player.
4-hour made no top wick, but stops for me. Place at 750. Oh, you're looking on a 4-hour flip basically.
Yo, we're
750.
literally
So that's what you're looking
pulling.
at.
We're pulling an Asian session right now.
Yo, how was Asian last night? There's a holiday. Why you trade a holiday?
It wasn't a holiday.
Bank holiday for the yen.
No, today.
That was yesterday. That was
No,
today,
it's today.
basically. Yeah, it was today. So it was yesterday, last
No,
night.
No, absolutely not. No.
What do you mean? It's yesterday.
Yeah, well, could you go back and?
This is the start. This is the start of the yen.
No, bro. This is according to your time.
No.
So
This
it's
is
based on your.
this is
Tuesday,
all
not on
day.
their Tuesday.
This is all day.
Yeah, but
As for
it's
like,
based. No. Their holiday is tonight. So their tonight is their Tuesday. Okay.
hold on. Let me find out. Thanksgiving Day. They got
Tonight is their
Thanksgiving Day.
Wednesday. Yeah, their Wednesday is our Tuesday. Thanksgiving? Like, I don't understand what kind of Thanksgiving can they have? They didn't fucking,
November
know,
23rd.
they didn't
That's
dine
20.
with the pilgrims.
The 23rd.
Yeah, bro, on the
The
23rd.
23rd is
'cause,
tomorrow.
For your, that's what the fuck I've been trying to tell you.
So it's tonight. Like tonight to tomorrow is what it is. Like
Because
tonight,
it's not on
yeah.
Tuesday. It
Tonight-
shows on Tuesday because it's our calendar, but for them it's a Wednesday.
It's tonight's Asian.
Tonight's Asian is already tomorrow. For
Yeah,
them.
yeah. Tonight's Asian for them. Yes, it's tonight.
See,
Yeah, that's what I meant. That's what I meant. You know.
No,
you know.
you meant like yesterday's session.
That's what I meant. That's what I meant. You're muted. You're muted. You're muted. How did I unmute you?
How did you mute me?
I don't know. It's
Have
like,
you guys not been listening to me? I've been talking so much shit for the last 3 minutes.
Bro, I don't know. You've been talking mad. I don't know what happened. You got muted for some reason. Damn, I don't know.
Oh, hold on.
I don't
So
know what happened.
yeah, you don't know what happened. My you just muted me. All right, I'm not repeating all the shit I said. I'm
No,
not
we
trying to get
heard
muted.
you. We heard you. You want to celebrate Thanksgiving? They're in the future. Yeah, Japan's in the future. I need to visit them. Yo, let's do a TVS. Yo, let's go to Japan, Wix. Shall
What?
we?
What?
Let's
What did you say?
let's go to Japan.
Japan?
Yeah.
That's what I don't understand. How are they having Thanksgiving? They didn't have no pilgrims. They didn't take over no Indians' land. They didn't dine together with a turkey. What are they thankful for?
So are we gonna go to Japan or what? You ever been to Japan?
No. I want to go to that forest, you know, the suicide forest where everybody goes.
All
Where
right,
they kill
bro.
them.
That's where Logan Paul went.
Yeah. That, I want to check that out. That's sounded pretty dope.
I'm staying far. I'm staying far away from that, my guy.
Why? You got no sense of adventure.
Yep. I got not trying to have no sense of adventure there. Mine shows 271 points gold, right? For what? Spreads? You got 271 points? That's 27 pips. What up, Paul? I saved a bunch of money on my car insurance just by canceling that shit. Who needs insurance? For real. Especially for the car you drive, you don't need no insurance, right? You don't need no insurance. Man. Or I count respecting this resistance. Could be a range one breakout. Looking sweet. Looking sweet. Any sell stops for today? No, I have no positions. I have no buy stops, no sell stops. I'm just simply waiting.
I'm watching a spider build a spider web. It's fucking insane. These
Yeah, that's
guys
kind
are
of
some
fire.
hard workers.
That's some physics right there. Yeah.
Yo, no, for real. You know what he's doing? He made like an X or like, you know, just a cross, and now he's running around in a circle, just weaving a web.
It's
Just
crazy how
in
like when a
circle.
bug lands in it, they just trap it. Like they just pull on the webs, trap
They
the
know
bugs.
exactly where to pull. Where to
Yeah.
tighten.
That's crazy, man.
He'll pull exactly like right with those two strings that'll tighten the bug.
Like imagine they can do it to humans.
These guys have like, I don't know where he got his construction license, but he's nasty with it. He's building the fuck out this web. Imagine if they had like human traps like that. Nah, fuck that. I wouldn't go outside.
I can't read both to be honest.
What?
What are you guys asking right now, chat? You know, for me, Australia. I want to. I want to go swim in Australia. I want to do some live catching and cooking in Australia. That'll be fire. Like my boy YBS.
Oh, there you go. They're coming out.
What?
The Ericsson right there, holding somebody else's kid. So what do? They sit in there in that tunnel, and somebody just walks up to you, and they're like, "Here, hold this kid." You're not getting me like that.
Do we swim the sharks? Yeah, but I just cancel them. I'll go in there though. I mean, if I can get a I would be if I'm in the cage. Yeah, I'll swim the sharks. But if I'm not in the cage, no, I'm not swimming no sharks. I'd rather be in the cage, underwater. Damn, chat. 76.67 win rate this year. Yeah. What do you think we're gonna end off with this year? At one point, I think our peak was like 84, obviously, but I think September and August really messed us up. September had 8 losses. That was the most losses we ever had ever on a stream. Before that, it was maybe 4. You know, every month it was 4, 3, 2, 1 maybe. But then those 8 losses in September. Our standards are way too high for that, man. Way too high. Yeah, I took a hit for our win rate, I think. Because we were like 20 something and now we're 35. But you know, 115 wins, 35. Not bad. This is on stream only too, right, Chad? This isn't like off stream, offline. No, this is all online. So
looking like a 9 a.m. trade for me if we keep going like this. I think we're gonna get a fake out on the 4-hour here.
Chad, you know how like this is like a pretty structured win rate. It's because like even when you compare it to our offline trades, like this is right. It's 78. This is our offline 78. Our online is 76. So it's like very similar. The reason why this is a little higher is because we have more traders during Asia and London in this one, all right? But it's pretty similar results. Like look at the New York Day gold. Gold is 78% win rate off on stream. Off stream is 80%, 81. GJ is 70% off stream or on stream. Offline is 71%. So it's like very close, very similar. Even the overall win rate and everything. I do wonder though, what we took more this year though. That's what I'm wondering. It looks like I think we took gold more this year, to be honest. There wasn't a lot of GJ. There was, but not as much as there was gold. We abused gold, especially in March. Tons of gold trades in March with the news we had about the war. When you give your offline traders signals, do you take them all? Yes, I take them all of them. I would never call something and not take it. It doesn't make any sense.
He said we abuse gold. You see how the 4-hour close in here? The 4 hour is going to close like this. Oh, yeah. Back in range here. And we closed above it earlier. So.
Wait, when you had your 8 loss losing streak. Wait, 4 hour closes in like 2 hours, Wicks, or an hour? An hour.
In an hour, yeah, but I think that's the solid position. Because at that point in the next hour or in the next 30 minutes, right, you'd need to see this flip and run up. And you're not going to be able to take a position here in about 20 minutes. About half hour.
When you had your 8 losing streak, how different was your strategy? Or when we never had an 8 losing streak. Where'd you get that from? Maybe I'm just not a streamer. We never had an 8 losing streak. The most we had maybe was like 3 in a row this year on stream. We never had more than 8. When did I have 8? Did I have 8 one time? I might be wrong actually. Did I have 8? I don't think I had 8.
Losing streak?
Off or on stream, yeah. Even off stream, we never had 8 too.
I don't think I've ever seen 8 in a row since we started streaming.
The most we had in a row ever this year, like this year on and off stream combined, was maybe
even last year. Never had 8 in a row or 5 in a row. Nothing like that. 2 or 3.
2 in a row here, yeah. So far, I think we had 3 in a row at one point. Yeah, 3 in a row in August.
3 in a row, one time this whole year. I think we had 3 in a row a couple
Yeah.
of times last year.
It was
and
3 in a row.
Never 4 or 5 in a row. Not like that.
3 in a row once this whole year. November, none. October, 2 losses, but not back to back. Yeah, 2 losses in a row in September. August is 3. Yeah, this is the only time we ever lost 3 in a row. And before that, it was maybe 2 in a row. I think at one point, and I think we went like from September 2020 to like maybe, September 2020 to like maybe August. We went that whole time period without losing 2 trades in a row. We lost 1 trade and that was it on stream. We never lost 2 in a row until August.
For a long, long time.
And then once we lost 2 in a row, we lost 3 in a row. But yeah. But as for like strategy wise, did I change anything? No, we did the exact same thing. Every loss we took this year, chat, was the exact same trade we took when we won a trade. We didn't change anything up. We don't let our losses affect us, right? Because every day we're doing the same thing. We understand that this strategy is consistent enough to a point where when we take a loss, it's not enough to change our idea up with the trade. It's just probability of the trades, right? Take a look here. Look at our stats this year. The breakouts, right? Like look at this. Let me scroll down a little bit. This is insane, Ashley. Look, the fake out, breakout, and onion. Right? Look at all the trades taken. 152, 76, 26, 78, 22, 79, or 69. 0.44. That's crazy. Imagine it was 4.2. But yeah, like something that I'll probably like. I think what's affecting our trades the most here really is the previous higher low. I don't know why it's so low. Like of all the entries that we have, look how low is this wicks. It's a 62%. Yeah,
why? Because our analysis is on point, and we should just be taking the flip. But honestly, it's surprising because
I think because you don't have that range advantage point. That's why it is.
Yeah, so maybe when we have a break of previous candle, it should be like at least 30 or 40 pips of range. If it's like 20, shouldn't be taking it. But point is that's an extra confirmation to wait for, right?
Yeah, the high.
Break, like that's the lowest one. Really?
Our highest is the flip, and then the celery. Actually, the celery is the highest. The flip, and then the current high or low. The current high low is pretty consistent because you have like 110 of them, and 80%. But yeah, the 50-minute time frame next year, the 4-hour time frame next year, those are questionable time frames because our win rate on the 30-minute and a 1 hour is like very similar. It's 81, 88, and then you have a 50 drop off. Like there's something going on there for sure. Something definitely going on there. I understand the 4-hour time frame. I also understand why it's the 15 as well. But we really take 15 entries, like really ever. We got some volume on gold. I mean, I hope so. We closed bearish back into the range here, and this kind of has no top wick, so interesting. There's not much we can do really. It's like it broke back into the range here. You can kind of say there's a resistance being respected here now. This is a new range, and I'd rather wait for a closure above, maybe a third closure above at 8:15 or sorry 8:30, maybe 8:15 closures above as well. I'll let you guys know. But possibly 8:30, 8:15. But 8 AM right now, no, I got no positions in mind. And then as for GJ, I mean, I want bias for sure, but it's probably gonna be above 168, 215, or potentially above this range here. Closures above here. Looks like you close right resistance though in the 1 hour time frame, right? Used it is. Let's put this as range 2 sells and spread the buys above here. Yeah, did your GJ close above? No, right? This thing close right resistance. Let me check my GJ real quick. Yeah, no, this thing close right resistance. Can you give me that advice not to get crashed when you're in drawdown? When you're in drawdown, you're still ahead of the trade. That's what's kind of saying to the line. It's true though. You're still ahead of the trade. Just because you're in drawdown doesn't mean it's gonna be a losing trade. Doesn't mean you're down in trade. It's just
Yeah,
part.
just
It's
you're
just
behind.
yeah. It's just part of the candle that's forming. Might just be a steeper bottom wick. Who knows? But until you actually close like back into your ranges where it doesn't respect that range that you had that you had marked up, then yeah, maybe that's when you're behind. And that's when you want to manage risk, because you want to manage risk when you're behind, not when you're thinking you're behind. You want to manage risk when you actually see you're behind. Does that make sense? So that's why we won't manage risk impulsively. We never do. Impulse leads to more, long-term impulsive decisions that aren't great decisions. How much time maximum you hold a trade? There's no maximum. There's also no minimum. In trading chat, there's no maximum minimum of anything. Even when it comes to profits, even when it comes to holding a trade, how much a wick should be, how big a count should be, when price will reverse. There's no maximum. There's no minimum in trading. It's just flow. That's the market. It's just flow. There's no maximum. Yours in it. Yeah, even for there's no maximum. There's no maximum hold a trade for it. Some trade, it depends on the market. Some trades might take a minute to play out. Some trades might take 30 seconds to play out.
So,
right?
Yeah. You know how I got this marked up here?
Wait,
Wait.
I was in the middle of talking, but
Oh, I didn't hear you, sorry.
no, what? What's up?
I have this marked up. Oh, 'cause there's new. Okay, get it. This line is from last night. Wait. No, you're on goal. Go to GJ.
Yeah.
With this level. There's a level over there. And then you had a closure above here that drove it up. I think if we come back close above here, it might drive up again. So something along.
Even above like 167.951.
Something along the lines of motherfucker. Yeah, something like this, where we can close above this. I think would drive us up here. And that's enough range. There's maybe about 20 some pips there. Yeah.
So you never manage stops? No, we do manage stops. We do manage risk. It's just we don't manage risk impulsively like we used to back in the day. We manage risk based off of closures. We manage risk when we see that we're behind, not when we think we're behind, right? That's the difference. The difference in managing risk impulsively is that you're trading with what you think, with what you feel. Feelings change. You already noticed that if he comes to our streams, you already noticed that every time we take a trade, before a trade even gets activated, I tell you guys where I'm moving stops to break even at, where I'm going to close at, or if I close at, where I have my TP where I have my stop loss at. All that stuff is planned beforehand, right? So that when it comes to that time, when it plays out, there's no hesitation. It's just, this is what I'm doing right now. This is just part of the plan. Doesn't matter what happens here. But it's all pre-planned out, right? It's not like impulsive, like, you know what? Right here is when I'm going to just close out because I don't feel the trade. Like, no. And that's how I stay disciplined. By saying what I'm doing before I actually do it and then sticking to that plan. That's what builds your discipline.
Figured it out. We just need to grab some liquidity.
Yep. We're not down bad right now. Trade to Asian and New York and no trade.
Who said no trade? London's beautiful.
Oh, yes, sir. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying?
I mean,
you know what I'm saying? You know. How'd you overcome overtrading or revenge trading? And advice, man, blow my account again? You blew your account again? What do you mean again?
the same account?
What do you mean
What's your
again?
account?
How'd you blow your account again? Okay, well, hold on. Yo, let's have a one-on-one talk with Jella A. So tell me, tell me, Joe, what made you blow your account?
He just told you over trading. Revenge trading.
But what made you over trading and revenge trade? Like, what made you make those decisions? Did you just
took a
say
loss.
Was it like one of those fuck it trades? Like, ah, fuck it, I'm just gonna take it.
No, he took a big loss.
Where's Messi? Messi is in a locker room right now, probably crying.
He's probably yelling at his teammates that they can't do shit. Come on, bastards, I gotta go. You guys can't do nothing.
Y'all can't do none.
I told him to sign down to a 10-day. They won't do it.
GJ pushing up. Ooh, volatile. Ooh, they flipped again, huh? Or broke the highs just now. Okay. If you pull back for a closure, this is perfect. We can take buys at 8:30.
Yeah, that's
maybe.
the level I have. The one right there, the one at 168, that 029. That's the level I have.
Perfect. Jelly, yesterday I was break even, then a while ago break even again, but I was eager to add some more and then lose again. You see, break even is not a bad thing, guys. Trust me. When you're at the break even stage, you're at a good spot. You could be worse. You could be down for the month. You can be down for the week. You can be blowing accounts left and right, but you're at the break even, and if you could finish off every month break even for the next 3 months, that's a good sign. All you gotta do is maybe
be down a lot of commissions.
Yeah, you're be a lot of commissions, but I mean. All you gotta do is tweak. All you gotta do is tweak a couple things, man. That's all that is. But the hard part of tweaking a lot of things is figuring out what you gotta tweak. So it comes down to you. You gotta pay close attention to your trades. You gotta document every trade out and see and write down everything about the trade. The time, the pair, the currency, the setup type, the entry type, the time frame. Everything about this trade. Everything.
This is why people regress also. Like, people will hit a break-even stage and they'll be break-even for a while and they're trying to figure out why they're break-even, and they'll start switching or fine-tuning things, and they'll start taking on more losses because they're switching things up, right? But that's it. You got to fine-tune things, right? You got to figure out what you need to switch up in order for you to finally break through. But when you're at that break-even stage, you're really close. That's why you should feel good about that you're really, the next stage is profitability and consistency, right? You found basically consistency at break even. Now you just, next stage is profitability. The thing is, you have to switch or adjust and optimize the right thing. A lot of people will think will not be able to diagnose what the issue is, and they'll start switching up things they don't need to, and that's when you regress and go back to taking dumbass trades or losing. You go like, fuck, I switched things up and it's still not working, and you start switching more things up. You gotta remember that it's a very simple fine tune. Gotta do it. It's very hard for me to get out of the chart, man. Yeah, that's gonna happen for newbies, and over time and experience, you're gonna get sick and tired of your own shit. You're gonna be like, because you can't get out of your own way right now. You have to be like, look, that little voice in your head that's telling you that you should keep trading, you need to tell it to shut the fuck up, because he's not making sense.
Yes. Yeah, you need.
And you need to get off the chart. No matter what the fucking voice in your head is telling, do it, trade it, place the trade. We can get money. We can revenge trade. We can make all. No, it doesn't make sense. Don't listen to the voice in your head. Listen to logic. Don't listen to any voices.
I honestly wish sometimes, like, I don't wish, but like, I just like, it's kind of hard for me to really like, because back then it was a lot easier for me to put myself in those situations. But now, like, I'm just so numb to the way I trade now. I'm just so disciplined. It's just, I don't even come across these things no more. I
can't explain it. It's so new when people, it's so unnatural when people say that. It's like, fuck, I remember this, but I don't even know how I got out of it. I just passed it.
Like, I wish I can put you guys in my head, and you guys can see like what I go through when I'm in a trade. Like, it's just I don't even think about it. Like, it's just like, if I'm in drawdown, okay, I'm in drawdown. Like, I'm hitting I'm it's just like, I have a stop loss there. I hit my stop loss, go hit my stop loss, hit my TP, cool. But on to the next trade. I'm already thinking about the next trade. It's like, I don't know. It's kind of hard to put into words, really. It's very hard.
The emotions they're describing are so foreign to me at this point, but I remember going through them, and I don't remember what the click was that just snapped where like it's just over time I forgot that I have these worries, right? That I lost a trade, need to revenge a trade, or that I'm in Jordan. Like I forgot that those are things that you should be worrying about because you realize they're not. That's not the important things in your trading.
I think I know what it is though.
It's just that but it's experience, you know. It's over time. It's just I don't notice at some point that it happens, right? It just happens. You know, you don't wake up, you're not born to open, you know, to open doors for other people or say thank you or you're welcome. But over time, you just realize, holy shit, I'm doing it. I'm saying thank you, and I'm saying, and it's like, when did that happen? You can't even pinpoint the exact date and time you started doing it. You just repetition has made it such a big part of you that you're like, you don't even notice you're doing it, and it's like, wow, that's really in your thought process. It's not part of a thought process here. It's just, it is what it is, natural. So I think it's more experience. You guys need more experience on the charts, not experience to learn and start thinking, analyzing. No, it's just experience to kind of, for this to become a habit, for something that's unnatural to feel natural and to just be part of you. It's experience, repetition.
Yeah, I believe there's a range one breakout on gold wicks. Not gonna lie to you. Day buy is still bearish, right? You didn't break the day highs yet. Interesting. Very interesting.
Each one.
And if you look at this, we also I know this kind of has no top wick here, but we also closed back into the range too. Right here. That has to get like the wall. It has that potential range to go down here. Just I think for me to get a position though, I'm gonna need a third closure below this minor support right here at 45.
I think if you had a closure above 1748.79 where you have that, you would have still been valid. But it just so happens that so here's the thing, right? It's a higher probability for a breakout above range 2, right?
Mm-hmm.
But that doesn't mean it's necessarily gonna break out above range 2.
Yes.
Hold range 2.
Yes.
It's just a higher probability. But now that we've seen the candle print and it already held, right? It didn't break it. So now we're gonna look for these cells to come back down in range for a fake out because range 2 held. The probability is that it won't hold, but it does hold sometimes. It's not like it's not a given. It's a probability. If it does hold, we'll come back down.
Yeah, going back to the trading thing, how to overcome like the overtrading and stuff. Like I think another thing I want to add to that was just you can't focus on the money. I know that sounds stupid, but like it's forex, right? You're trading for the money, obviously, but it's not about the money. Like, don't focus on the money. You will make money, but yeah, get the skill first before you make money. And once the skill,
not about the money.
Once the skill, the money changes, right? The money's always gonna change too. All you need is a skill. Change. So you need.
Just don't let the money change you.
Are we waiting for a sell position? Yeah, closest. There go.
You don't want your multi-million-dollar account and your multi-million-dollar business to change the way you are.
Yeah. You're multi-million-dollar. If you're a multi-millionaire, you don't want to change you as a person.
Once you become a multi-millionaire,
other people,
Stay humble, my friends.
What's on the multi-millionaire chat? Why are you laughing, Wix? See, I know you're serious.
I'm always serious.
You're just practicing simulators back then? Oh, we answered that question earlier. Nah, yeah, back then, yeah, I did. But going forward, no. I believe showing up every day to your session live in markets is much better and much more efficient.
You able to loan me $10 for some onions? No, but if you need onions, come through to my house and I'll fucking hook you up. Shit, I'll teach you how to juggle onions.
You're not that guy, pal. Trust me. You're not that guy.
Wrong button, not gonna lie to you. It's supposed to be stop. Like,
No, we pull back here. We got some range to fill.
FOREX Legos. FOREX Legos. I haven't posted a reel in 6 days. I just realized that. 5 days, but sheesh. I got to post on
I'm
today.
just waiting on your next reel to have me in it so I can get a collab.
Here, right here.
Looking for answers, right? Can we do this? Can we do that? And the only thing that's going to give you those answers is the charts. What's happening on the charts, or what's going to happen. And if it hasn't happened yet, you don't have an answer yet, right? So you ask the market a question, you know, will we close below here or not, basically? And now you just got to wait for the market to answer you. If it says yeah, then we'll take positions. But you can't base your decision around what you think the market's going to say. That means you have an ego problem. You're telling the market what it should be doing. Oh, you should be just listening. You don't want to have a big enough ego where you can just think you're predicting, or what you're doing is what's happening in the market. You're following. You're not leading here. You're looking for
You following. Exactly. You're not a leader. You're a follower.
followers. Yo, go follow this IG channel. Holy shit. 62,000. Fucking incredible. You guys are the best. God damn.
TBS.
Yo, and go fucking follow my IG and sub to the channel. Get your boy to 4K. We're at 3.9K. Chat, do not be there tonight for the Asian session stream because it's a holiday, but tomorrow we continue. We'll be there tomorrow for the last Asian session stream before Thanksgiving.
Hey, Francis.
I guess we'll never know.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Kieran's like, he's a smart dude. Yeah, I was about to go on to that and we'll be like, yo, this guy fucking knows something.
Yeah, this is a guy that we kicked off the live streams like 5 times. Or not the live streams, the YouTube back then. Wick's been through hell and back. But yo, all the times we kicked him off, no, we didn't kick him off. All the times we banned him in the chat, it built him as a person, you know? Maybe he got Wick's wisdom from that. Maybe sometimes all you need is get banned in the chat. It shows you how much you want it, because like this guy got banned. Wick's got banned in the chat before he came to the live streams like 3 times. He got banned because he just looked like a troll, right? Or he sounded like a troll with the way he was typing. I'm like, hey, this guy's a troll.
I didn't know like anything. Yeah.
Yeah. Then, but it shows you like he actually wanted to stay in my community, so he kept messaging me like over time, asking me questions like, hey, this guy, you know, it's not bad. And then look, throughout these years, a lot of people that came on the live streams, on the Zoom call, a lot of hosts. We had a lot of co-hosts of the years. You guys know this. But who's always been here? Wix9. Me and Wix have always been running it up, but there's been a lot of people through the live streams, through the Zoom calls, right? And you guys always ask, where'd they go? Where'd this guy go? Where'd that guy go? Maybe they wasn't with it in the first place. Maybe they wasn't with it. Any honorable mentions? No mentions. No names.
Honorable mention. My top 4.
Top 10 plays of the month.
Trade Center top 10.
Trade Center top 10. Number 1, you got. Yeah, check out Salsa Search 17. Coming in at number 2, you got. All right, perfect. Gonna have sell stops here. Ooh, more sells. Number 3, you got. Sell stops here at the. Oh, all sell stops done. Relax. Over here. Check out a buy stop here. Okay, buy stop there. You guys knows I say it same every time. Chat, gonna have a buy stop. Chat, gonna have a sell stop.
Sometimes you go,
stop,
oh,
sir.
I gotta sell.
Check out a buy stop here. See, check out a buy stop. Check out a buy stop here. What's this 1257? These are different videos we're clicking on right now. Chat, I have L stops placed here. See when I say that, I'm not confident in trade, chat. So don't trust me. I'm kidding. Check out buy stop here. see, there's a wins. Hold on. Yeah, this is a nice bottom wick. Check, I have a buy stop here. Yeah, especially when I say this is a nice bottom wick. When I add something to it. You're trading FP done? Nope, we don't gamble. No gambling here, brother. So now we just sit, wait, chill, wait for news, and then 9 a.m., 9:30 is gonna be your play. Buy stops and gold here at 1714, 224. Straight to it. Straight to the point. Yeah, this is a nice bottom wick. Check. I have a buy stop here. That is right about crazy. What do you say, Wicks? What do you say? I bet. I think what you do is you're quiet. You're like, you usually think first. You're like,
No.
Check. I have a buy stop.
I'm just a lot calmer in my announcements.
All right. I like to make it aware that I'm in so I can tell it the
Yeah,
clip.
you like to make. You're like a fucking those Mexican commentators. Everything's calm and it's calm. It's calm. It's like, oh shit, here's the pass. Go.
Got the message. Got the message.
I'm more like, all right, we just got a layup. Next layup tomorrow. Maybe we get a dunk. No, it's true. We vibe. It's just, I'm not.
It sounds like buy stops
But
where.
I say the same thing. I'm not as hype, but I say the same thing. Yeah, we're gonna have buy stop. We'll have sell stop.
Yeah, it sounds like buy stops where. Y'all in positions?
She's a runner, she's a track star.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I'm gonna change this sound. I'm gonna change it next year. We need a new outro song or a new winning song. I'm gonna find a song.
Because it's gotten so routine, right? The buy stops, the sell stops, what positions they're gonna have. It's so routine that it's just like, I don't know. Chat gets so quiet and so, paranoid when the fucking trade's about to activate, and then they get so excited as it's winning. Everyone's fucking yelling, and then when it's in drawdown, everyone's like, "Oh, I knew I shouldn't have opened this." And it's like,
You suck, Don. You suck. We suck, Wicks.
it's not even. It's just like, like I don't care what you think of me. I'm just saying your emotions are wild, Chad. Just so the more monotone I can get during trade, I think it's
Better for
it
the
is.
audience.
Yeah, because it shouldn't be like exciting to win, just as it shouldn't be tragic to lose. You should just be expecting a win every day, coming here for a win. Job well done.
Yeah, it's why I stopped celebrating on stream.
I mean, because you're right in short memory and approach tomorrow like this previous trade didn't happen. Because you don't want to be riding too high where you're making, irrational decisions, or too low where you're revenge trading, another type of irrational decision.
Hey, date going right.
Yo, where are these people getting these emojis, emotes? I want.
Not cool enough for it, man. Not cool enough for it.
Have you figured this out yet, or no? Is this like being tested with not us?
Man, I have so much leftovers from yesterday.
How would you say to deal with upping lot size? I say up your lot size only as your balance increases, right? And up it in relation to the balance increase. Noobs. Are you guys in like a beta testing facility for YouTube? You're all getting this.
Took a trade.
None of you can leave. I know it.
Just trying to comics open. Nice. Yeah, comics open was interesting today. You had no bottom look on a 15, but the 5 still drew. Just drove. Yeah, pretty nice position. Comics, nice, good job. Very nice position.
Yep, even Green got this.
I don't know, man. Miamians, right?
I don't got this feature. What you mean it's a feature on YouTube chat? I'm chatting my ass away. I don't got nothing.
Yeah, be a sub. Yeah, sub to the channel. $7.99 a month.
$7.99.
Use Prime. Oh, no, that's no Prime.
You know
on
what?
YouTube.
I would be a tier 2, but like it doesn't even make sense now because now you can't shit on anybody, right? Now it's like I become a sub, and it's like, sucker, we're 12 months in. I got a 12-month badge.
Well, we gotta start somewhere, man. Yo, did you hit up the first the inventor of Forex and be like, yo, I'm too late. It's too late for me to trade. Nah, man, you started 2017 years later or 2018 years later. You ass way behind.
How come you don't got these?
You know, how you know I don't got them? I'm just not using them, you know?
I know you, and if you had this shit, you would be all over it.
No, I got it. Hold on, I gotta find it real quick.
You can't copy and paste somebody else's shit, dog. That's not happening.
See, I got it.
Oh, it doesn't let me do it. Yeah, Snail is fucking YouTube here. Taking its sweet ass time to get me.
8 minutes left. Oh, no, 20 seconds left for closure here. Let's see if we can lock it in here. Gotta lock it in, boys. Boys and girls, ladies and gents. Lock it in. And now it looks like we made that close below the range. GG though, what are you guys doing? Oh man, back into that range. Let's see how it closes here, because it's gotta close above this resistance here, and it looks like it's not gonna do it. And all right, 9 a.m. it is. Sashi guys at 9 a.m., 9:15, 9:30 here in the building. Because 8:30 here, it didn't get a closure below, and it looks like I have to wait for a closure below 8:30 or 9 a.m. here, guys. So another 30 minutes of waiting, all right? Don't, you know, you've been waiting all morning, so might as well keep staying here and keep waiting. It's been 2 hours.
I told you so, man. I told you so.
Meanwhile, we got your game, right?
Oh yeah. All right. Let's just watch the replay of the 2 goals Saudi Arabia score.
Dragos and Dragos and Dragos and Dragos.
Yo, refs have been flying this World Cup. They're just adding on 15, 10 minutes of extra time in every half. It's been crazy.
What?
Oh shit.
Give me a good day to the chat. Got practice tonight. We litty. Let's see. I think YouTube won't catch on, right? I just jinxed it.
Say their name 3 times.
Eyes on a rock.
I think Denmark's too talented.
Don't
Pretty
ever
good
know.
team.
Don't ever know.
I mean, Tunisia's fit. Boys just frolic, but
That's small enough, right? I mean, you guys can see somewhat. Meanwhile, I won't get caught. Maybe.
Denmark is talented.
Might be a bit too obvious.
Ooh. Damn, did you see that? How they just ran up the line? I'd be doing that in FIFA.
And
What happened to GJ? GJ never closed above, and now we have to wait for the 4-hour close because it's the last 30 of this 4-hour here. That's what happened.
what happened to GJ? GJ didn't close above the range here. So I had a resistance here marked up, But I also had a resistance here as well, and you didn't close above, nowhere near above. You closed at 168. Was 026. I wanted to close above 168.035 for the wick fill, which doesn't mean that I can't drive up. I can definitely still drive, which is what it's doing right now. But for me to take positions, right, I would prefer if we can close above and drive. We're gonna move to at 9. Okay. What's your favorite gun in Fortnite? I don't play Fortnite. Turn cold. Oh, it's lagging. Today I lost $1. I'm so sad. It's fine. It's not about the amount you lose, is about the percentage you lost today. What's the background music's name? I think the music shows the bottom right.
Yeah, I don't hear no music.
On YouTube, really?
Zoom.
Oh no.
Yeah, no, I hear.
Have mercy on me. Yeah. Oh. Damn, no stream on Thursday. What did I do? What am I gonna do?
Come to the US for Thanksgiving.
Come to the US? I should come to Buffalo, right? Go to Rochester. How's your day going? How's your day going today, yeah? I know we have no trades today yet. I know it's kind of boring hours right now with us waiting for closures at 9 a.m. here. But how's your Q4 going so far? Be honest too. You know, it's not. I'm not asking this to brag. You know, no one cares that you made 1,000%. Be honest. Trust me. This ain't the community for that. Maybe a different channel, yeah, but this channel doesn't care. We want to grow. But to grow, you need to be honest with yourself. Can't lie. Not too shabby.
Not too shabby.
I lost $7. I'm up 40% for the month. For quarter
You
four.
lost $7? Where'd you lose $7? Go back and find it. Retrace your steps.
Overtrade.
Retrace your steps, and if you do that, you're probably gonna find it.
Up 28%. Nice. Kim, give a like. Hey, thanks for a like. I appreciate that a lot. Thank you. How many likes do you have, chat? Wix, how many likes do you have, Wix?
Yesterday?
No, right now. How many likes do you have right now?
230. Oh, you know what? As a matter of fact, I haven't liked your stream. Sorry.
No wonder. Once you
There
like,
you go.
everyone else likes.
Everyone, yo, chat, drop a like right now. we figured it out. We cracked the algo. You guys can all be our help us. You guys are all algo crackers if you if you drop a like, because you drop a like and sub to the channel, and then more people see this because YouTube starts recommending the stream to other people, like-minded people, right? And then we grow our audience with other like-minded traders, and if so facto, we get a really nice trading community with very little toxicity.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So
You blew your account?
You can be part of that. Drop a like.
Going back to Zoom. Going back to Zoom. Wait, who are you in the Zoom? Nice face, none. Thank you.
Feifei? Funny name.
I gave the World Cup. I'm trying to put a song where it's like YouTube won't know. Today's trades. Financial had the support at 1743.66 on gold based on the 4-hour time frame. 43.66. Where's that? Here? Because these levels are marked off the 1 hour and 30, right? if like later on I'll do an update on the 4-hour time frame, but I usually can't separate the 4-hour kind of markups to the 30 and 15 in 1 hour. They're little different markups. So yeah, I technically could just have a support here later on. Like if this is a 4-hour time frame, I'll just have it up as this. I just have a line going across like here, and then I'll have another line going across over here, right? This is the range you're in right now. I'll say the 4 candle closes bearish below 74,800 in about 20 minutes, and yeah, you can think sales coming down for what time is that? What time would that be? 9 a.m. Yeah, but it comes down to how we close in 20 minutes here. But yeah, I will give you guys an update on the 4-hour time frame very soon.
Well, we're gonna have a fake out here.
Yep, for a 4-hour range one fake out. Yep. And you know what's crazy? That's what we were worried about all morning too. We mentioned there's no bias for me today on your gold because it's the range one break on the 4-hour time frame, right? I said that at 6:30 to 7 all day, and
then an hour and a half ago, I said 4-hour 9 a.m. fake out.
Yes. So you stuck to the plan. That's all that was. We didn't care what anyone else said in chat. Not that they're wrong, right? It's just that we gotta trust our own analysis. We did, and we got paid to wait, right? We got paid to trust our analysis. I think waiting for this opportunity to come is more important than winning an actual trade, to be honest. You gain more from it. You don't really gain a lot from a win. Just started trading 3 months ago, and a homie recommended you, and I've been in the stream just watching and learning, bro. Hey, yo, appreciate that, yo. Thank you for tuning in, man. All you gotta just leave a like. That's all we ask for. Yeah, keep coming though. Keep being consistent. I'm trying to work on my psychology at the moment. I've been reading a lot of books. I Train the Zone and The Monk Who Sold His Lambo. The Monk Who Sold His Lambo. That's a book. I never heard of that book. I heard Train the Zone, but Monk Who Sold His Lambo. Yeah, I mean, whatever helps you, right? If you decide that reading books for you helps you. One thing I learned though is that you can read all the books you want to read. If you can't apply it to your charts though, it's useless, right? So reading is good, but you also want to apply it to your charts as well at the same given time. Make sense? Thanks for teaching me the art of waiting and being patient. No worries. Well, I'm not really teaching. I'm just doing it. You guys are just seeing it. So I guess that helps too.
You're just watching him implement it.
He's watching me implement it. Yeah. Do we have a spreadsheet even for hockey games? Bruh, no, I don't.
Even for what?
My lease games. I want to go to the lease games though. In a minute. Man, I still can't believe I sat that close though. Like I've never seen that ever. I don't think I can ever go to another game, bro, without feeling like I'm missing out or something.
Oh, without feeling like you're.
Yeah, like I don't know. It's just I've never sat there before.
That's it. You ruined it for yourself.
Yeah, like I've never sat there before. But I don't think I'll ever get the opportunity to sit there ever in my life. Like,
how are those seats even available? That should
they
be.
They were for giveaways only. It's giveaway by this Proline company, but like for some reason, I guess the winners wanted to sell it, and I've never seen them going still ever. So like, I'm buying these. I'm buying.
I've only
these.
seen like commentators on that.
Yeah, I don't know,
like,
bro.
They go down ice level. They'll take an interview from that spot, or they'll like
This is like sitting next to the like. This is better in court side. This is like you're sitting like next to a player's bench at court
You're
side.
on the bench.
Yeah.
That's the people that sit next to the coach in the middle of the court.
Yeah. Been missing some of the concerts too.
What's the best concert you think you've been to?
I don't know. Probably 2017. The Bacardi or the Kid Cudi one this year? The Drake one's ass, not gonna lie to you. Look at
Kanye.
Yeah, I did. 2016. I did.
How did that go?
Good. I like that concert. It was my first one. I knew all the lyrics. Drake one's
You were in high
alright.
school?
Yeah, I was like 16. I was like 15, 16 at the time. I think that's the
When'd you
last time I'll ever see him live too, because it was Life of Pablo. How about you? What's the best concert you've been to? You've been to rock concerts, right?
Been to a lot of concerts, yeah.
But you don't go a lot anymore. It's like more so in younger years.
No, I do. I'll go to a lot of reggae concerts. I do a lot of like roots reggae also.
Smoke weed every day.
Yeah. I've seen all the Marleys. Except Bob. I've seen all the kids perform at separate concerts.
No, I'm not funded. M15,
Man, why are you laughing?
M1H. I'm not.
Reggae concerts are dope because it's you can't even see the stage. There's so much smoke.
Too much smoke. Who want the smoke? Who want the smoke?
You know who was dope? Holly Buds. That boy was dope.
This game
He
is
can perform.
this game's a sleeper game, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you.
Sleep a game on your forehead.
My forehead. I think my forehead's big enough to put the game on. Not gonna lie.
The soccer on my hat. Because I think about the soccer.
Is it necessary for price to touch the support or resistance when it is broken? It is necessary for it to close above or below. Otherwise, it's just doing what the counts to the left there. It didn't pass. See, rejections. One thing that all those counts have in common is that it never closed below. So this closure below indicates that we can break down, come down towards next support.
Yo, you can put the thing like right here. It would look like a fucking like a flat screen behind. Oh, first half is about to be over. Never mind. Watch, they're gonna add on like 10-15 minutes. They always do.
I know you're on your screen. So chat, do you guys feel like it's okay? So chat, do you guys ever feel like it's a waste of time when it comes to the streams and there's no trades? Be honest. Like, be honest. Are you that type of guy that feels like it's just a waste of time, or what?
Kay's like, yeah, I'm that type of guy.
Nah, never. Sometimes I just be like, well, I guess for me, I'm like, you know, it's a pointless stream today. Like nothing happened, but man, it's not reviving out. We're chilling. You like watching the stage the most? Damn.
Yeah, I love watching the grass grow. Amazing. Amazing.
I'll go look at the record. Ah, you're right. What are you guys doing after though? Who has work after, chat? Like who in the chat who works after? He has got like work to go to. That's fine. Working is completely fine when trading. I know people who love their job more than trading. The first 20 minutes of stream are epic for learning. Yeah, until Wickstand comes, right? I was lit before.
I don't have to do this.
No, I'm joking. I don't gotta do this. At work right now, watching. Jeez, the grind don't stop. You work. So when was the last time you worked? Don't mind me asking.
Like, I still have businesses, right?
Yeah. But like corporate and shit.
2009, 2010.
Ah, the recession.
Yeah.
Yes, oh man, the recession.
Well, I'm lying. Here's the thing. When I owned the pharmacy, I worked pretty much every position in it. Right? It's just we did everything from scratch. beginning we went from zero, right? Started from zero. So we did everything from marketing to, business planning to expansion to acquisitions to, I don't know, everything to deliveries to logistics, do everything.
I remember when someone was
Because
like,
in any business that you start and that you want to do, you gotta, as the owner, you got to do everything in order to be able to hire employees and tell them what to do and know what to expect out of them, right? And know what would be a good job, what's a bad job. You really have to know every position. So, yeah, every business I've owned, I've pretty much done every single thing in it before hiring somebody to
do it for you.
do it for me. Yeah.
Yeah, it's a good way to look at it. You can't just hire someone because they might be scamming you, right? They might just
How do you know if they're doing the right thing, or how do you know how much
time is
their
needed.
work is valuable, or how valuable, what they're doing,
Yep. Makes a lot of sense.
or if you have your own way that's optimized for you to do it, faster or simpler or cheaper, and they have their own way. You don't want their way because it might be costing you more, or it might be taking longer. Now you're paying them more. You optimize it the way you need it done, and then you teach that way to somebody. You ever seen that movie, The Boiler Room? When
Yeah.
they're like hiring, the brokers.
Yeah.
Like, anyone has their Series 7, get the fuck out now. He's like, we don't hire brokers, we train new ones. Same thing with any business I own. I don't really hire, just train new.
I know one time someone's like, "Wix, do you sell drugs?" You're like, "Yeah, I work at the pharmacy."
Legally.
I work at the pharmacy.
No.
That was mad funny.
I used to do it. 2018 was our sale. 2017, 2018.
Sale pharmacy? Wait, what sale pharmacy?
Yeah.
Someone's a farm tech. Yeah, I know nothing about pharmacies.
I've hired and fired so many farm techs that I'm done with you. Done with you, all you farm techs.
They just find DVS member to London. We have on the radar, but we just feel like no one is accurate, or as we would want them to be.
Well, no one's
implementing at least
the same concept.
Yeah,
we are.
I mean, that's fine too, but it just doesn't make sense, to have someone that trades New York and Asian, or like New York and Asian similar, and then London is guys over here using trend lines. Right? It's just they throw everyone off. Like, we want to have like a similar trading style across the board. So until that person steps up, whoever that person will be, who knows? But we don't have a London streamer. It'll be great though. I really want a London streamer. But who's gonna stream it? Chat, try streaming. Try live streaming. Try it out. Just do it by yourself. Who cares for audience? Who cares for the viewers? That's what I said when I first started live streaming. I got no viewers. I had like 1 viewer, 2 viewers for a good 3 months. I didn't care.
But don't just stream. You first get profitable.
Yeah. You gotta get profitable first. Well, some people don't care. Some people like the journey, but
I mean, you can do that too.
You can watch your journey, I guess. Yeah, how I learned trading. 20,000 hour live stream forever. Never end the stream. Next thing you know, this guy's like, this says at the desk 24 hours a day, just overtrain. Got a position here, got a position here, got a position here. But yeah, try it out, chat. My advice for you guys is just don't look at the viewers. People get discouraged by viewers because they see that, you know, they're doing a lot, but they're not getting viewers watching them, and they don't feel validated. But it's not about feeling that validated. You're doing this stuff for yourself at the end of the day. Your trading will improve when you live stream. It will improve. At least that's happened to me and Wix. And Wix started doing this recently too. He even said it's gotten a lot better.
Yeah, my win rate has gone up maybe like a good 10-15%.
Yeah.
Like that's significant over a long term, over the course of a few months. That's pretty significant. Like I was doing good, but I've just zoned a lot more zoned in on streams, and just my win rate has gotten better. Profitability wise, I'm just as profitable, but my win rate is higher. I would compare it to 2019. Difference between 2019 and 2020. No, 2020 and 2021 on stream, on New York session stream. Just, you know, got a lot more zoned in, a lot more locked in. Our win rate went up. Yeah, Asian session
Wix, you want
win
some?
rate. Asian session win rate is matching the New York session win rate. For me personally.
You want some Wix?
Is that a Kit Kat? I can't see.
I'm not eating it now. I'm just having it around.
Yeah,
This is my
you
favorite
have a
chocolate, I
break?
think. I
Want
need
Kit Kat?
a break. Have a break. Have a Kit Kat.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
You know what I just
Break
took
me
in?
off a piece of
I
that
just took
Kit
in.
Kat bar.
I just realized their whole slogan, have a break, is based on the fact that you gotta break the Kit Kats. That's crazy.
You just realized that?
I thought it was like you just,
Mind.
I thought it was like you just gotta take a break, like take a Kit Kat, chill out, but it was more than that. That's crazy. Damn. You know, damn, that's crazy.
All right, chill, chat. You guys getting on his ass. That's all he
Yeah,
does.
yo. What'd you do today?
Over here trading, giving out signals he's not supposed to be realizing. You
Yeah,
know,
yeah.
fucking-
There's not more to life than what I do, you know. You know what?
Do you know a good site where I can get overlay for streaming? Botbroly.com.
Yeah. OBS.com is pretty good too. Or about really.
Or you better know all the slogans.
I do. Hit me up right now.
Remember next
Ask me.
Friday? Baby D? Remember Baby D from next Friday?
Yeah.
You know all the year 2000 snacks. Nobody remember that? Yeah.
I'm too
You
young
gotta
for
watch
that.
next Friday. Next Friday is hilarious. He got a girl pregnant, and then her cousin came, and he was like, "It's Baby D right there." Like, and he was like, "You afraid of some little girl, Baby D?" He's like, "Nah, you see Baby D, you gonna be afraid too. Baby D, some big bitch." Came over there. He tried to bribe her with a Twinkie and shit. Chocolate chip cookies. Would you like to buy some cookies? Oh yeah, he helped me when that fat bitch tried to jump me. Right?
How young
That
is
mo-
Wicks?
That movie is
Wicks about 11, to be honest.
17.
It's about 11, like 11. All right, 1 minute left, guys. Can we get a closure? Or will we have to call it a day, which I don't want to call it a day, but it looks like we're getting a nice closure here. So if we can just close slightly below 1743.616, that'll be perfect for us to drop down towards 1738. 1738. Hey, you know too much, Shohib. You know way too much information right now.
I mean, you're a few,
are
few
you
years off,
federal?
give or take.
You federal? I know that.
Federales are onto us. Open up.
And Wicks is 12 years old. I wasn't born yet.
37.
Huh? Okay, even more. So even now, when you were 15, I wasn't born yet. That's crazy. All right. Yeah, I wasn't born yet. Now we're on the same live stream every day. That's crazy. All right. Anyways, mind blown. All right. So the 4 count clue. The 4 count closed there. I mean, it's not bad, right? If you close your left eye, turn your head, close your right eye, it's not too bad. Look pretty clean to me.
What are you talking about? The 4 hour?
Yeah, close your left eye, squint a little bit, close your right eye, turn your head. Not too bad. Not too bad. Well, yeah, I mean, close right. Let me see where Blueberry closed that shit real
The trade
quick.
was the 1 hour here back in range.
Yeah.
And I
The 1
think-
hour
and
makes
on-
sense.
And on the 1 hour, it's also got range to keep going down here.
Yeah. I'm not too worried about the 4 hour candle in this case because the day bias is bearish. It closed bearish on 4H anyways. So, I mean, there's that. I mean, sells in a 1 hour candle. It's pretty straightforward, pretty clean. I believe what you need here is a top wick. Right? A top wick to drop down. So,
Quick with the top of the
this is what we are expecting. Me and Wicks probably. We are just expecting price to drop down here after a top wick. So wherever the top wick is, it could be 1744, 45, but anywhere in this zone here would be perfect for us to drop down. But as long as you respect this high, it should be valid. How big are stop loss in this case? So let's take a look. Stop loss will likely be 31, 32. Not too bad. 34, that's it. Yeah, 30 pips, not bad. And the range going down target is probably going to be around 32. Same, around the same. But let's get a top wick first before we get
You
further.
know what? We might not get a top wick here, like a massive top wick. Oh, and it starts forming. Because last time the 30s don't come down here, the next candle just drove. We got a lot of momentum, so I don't know how big this top wick is. I think we might just drive down.
If that's the case, close your eyes and sell, right?
No. It just look previously. Look on the 30. If you look what's happened previously on the 30, last time it broke into the range like that, the next candle just drove down. No top wick.
Oh yeah, this one right here.
Yeah, that's right. So we might just get to this level and drive straight down. Might be enough pressure here.
This one right here.
At which point, I don't know, the break of the lows would seem fine, but it's a new 4-hour candle. I have a really tough time,
Yep.
taking a sell with no top wick on a 4-hour candle. We've got to come back up, grab liquidity, and then drive down. Just kind of, you see, it's kind of contradicting itself. Like, it's a new 4-hour, but last time it did this, it just drove straight down, which is against what we need to see. I'm gonna wait till 9:30. Usually brings in more volume. Well, no, if you're waiting till 9:30, that means we're expecting this wick to not drive through here right now. I mean, this candle not drive down here right now, and then come back up, pull up for a top wick. We're basically expecting the same thing, just wording it differently. But if it doesn't do that, then it drives here. Then no, there's no waiting for 9:30, and then there's no waiting for this top wick also.
I was getting used to that. Getting used to those events. Anticipating, right? It's anticipating, but it's anticipating using logical events, not just like guessing. Oh yeah, this will go up and down. It's like what way can I just explain about the 9:30 candle? It just makes logical sense. Like if it doesn't happen here, you gotta wait for a third closure, which is a 9:30 candle, right? So yeah, getting used to the fact that you gotta wait.
Literally did exactly. Literally did exactly what it did last time. Fucker just driving down with no top wick.
What do you care if it first $30? Because we want to be ahead, right? We want to be ahead. We want to get in and just like see drawdown because we have no top wick. There's plenty of times where it doesn't even flip sometimes, right? Like if you've been on streams for last couple of years, like I think last year we didn't really care about top wicks, but on wicks like this, but we started doing it this year, and our win rate has gone up significantly. I think a lot of our losses last year have been from just us not waiting for the wicks, top wicks, in 2020. Obviously, some days like it might drive without us, and you might be like, oh well, maybe you shouldn't have waited for it. But
overall, in the grand scheme of things, yeah.
In the grand scheme, that might change too going forward. Who knows? I don't know. That might change going forward. Maybe in the next couple of years, we might not even look at those things.
But I think here, this was solid indication on the break of the low. On the break of the low of this previous candle. That we were gonna start heading down this break right here. Once it broke that, there's pretty much indication that hey, we're not gonna come up here. So might just keep I just feel like this candle has to happen here. I just feel like it's happened before at this level, so you know, technical analysis, historical price data dictates that
there's also this going across too, which I'm a little worried about too. This area right here. I noticed that this thing came down last time, but it tapped around those areas too. That can be another thing.
Eventually, it still drove through it. But if it does play, we have an advantage of the fact that it might come back up, make a top wick, come back in range here.
Yeah. Tap it too. Yeah, let's see what happens here.
I wouldn't mind the next 30 closing below there, not pulling back, but closing below there.
Just like this count, yeah, didn't take the sell coming down. Yeah, that'll make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I think that's what I'd really prefer. I'd prefer to miss this range here for this next 30 to drive down below. Because every time we've done that, we also drove down.
Boom, 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 boom,
boom, boom, boom, boom. Wix 9 be contradicting. Why? Which part did you not understand?
How he be contradicting? What?
Everybody followed what I said.
Yeah.
Cesar Torres. What's confusing you so we can clarify it?
Like Wix is in a position right now after explaining all of that. He usually says what he waits for, right? Just like me. Whatever we say is whatever we do. There's no in between. It's been a slow day today, yes sir. It's been have you ever been to the Caribbean Parade in Canada, in Toronto? No, I haven't. You understand the words coming out of my mouth?
Don't nobody understand the words coming out your mouth. That's from Rush Hour.
Hey man, we have how many days left in this month? This train day, sorry. 4 days roughly, 4 or 5 days, because Thursday, Friday, right? But 4 or 5 days, 4 to 5 days left in this month. Can we finish off the month 100% on stream? Going back to June, that's what happened. Man, it's funny. Every time I come back from vacation, we're going on a nice hot streak. It happened in June. Take more trains. That's a scam. That's cheating. Too much noise to the left. Makes sense, makes sense. Wow, GJ, nice rejection. 4 count on GJ closed bullish here. I didn't even look at GJ. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry on GJ, guys. I'm so sorry. GJ here. Wow, GJ closed bullish. Okay, this is interesting because look, the daily buy sale is bullish on GJ, right? We all know that. And if you take a look at the 4 hour time frame, the 4 hour candle here looks like it has closed bullish back into this range here. So you have support right here, you have a resistance right here. However, with this resistance right here, you have this wick to fill because this candle right here closed bullish at support. That candle confirms that you have support formed now. Therefore, this is a range that you're in right now from here to here. So if you're closing bullish at the bottom of the range, there's a higher chance that price is likely to come up on the 4 hour candle to fill the wick and fill the ranges. And as it does that, it's likely to tap the next resistance, which is going to be somewhere around here. So how big is this wick fill, you may ask? Well, let's go to the measurement tool and measure it. A nice cool 18 pips. Not too bad. Next resistance, 48. So you have ranges here on GJ. It's just a matter of can you close. Now, drop down to the small time frame, you're gonna notice that the small time frame is that it's at a construction site. It's just in a range. It's very slow traffic here. So you gotta break through. You gotta close above, right? So all you need really is a closure above the range like so. Once you close above the range, that indicates that you have enough strength and volume to drive up, and therefore you can probably take buys after going up towards the next resistance up here at 168.215. All right, but you're gonna need a closure above first on the 30-minute time frame or the 1 hour time frame for a confirmation that you can drive up. Until then, though, we shall look at gold and we shall wait for gold at 9:30 here to see what it ends up doing. All right, but look at that level just being respected there, just tapped, solid. But yeah, I'm gonna get some more water, chat. BRB. Good luck. 30 seconds. Wicks on hold down.
Yo, I'm gonna see you by the water cooler. We're gonna discuss things. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. We really in the same house. He's just in a different wing. Devious compound here. Wicks, can you take us clubbing in Miami? No, I don't go clubbing in Miami. No stream tonight? No Wicks? No. No stream tonight. Shameless Asian session plug. There's no Asian tonight, but be there tomorrow. Yes. 8 p.m. Eastern live on YouTube. We will be running Asian tomorrow. What'd you do with Don? I turned him into a computer chair. Can't you see? Right there, there's a computer chair, formerly known as Don Vo. In front of you. Magical. Yeah. Magic chair. What'd you do with Don Bro? His name is Don Bro, not Don Bro. Don. Stream got like a million ways to spell Don. Alrighty then, we might get these closures coming soon. 15 more minutes. As we're just driving down. Fun. This guy loves the 15-minute. I haven't traded a 15-minute in a long time. Oh, I fucked that one up. Can you explain how you calculate the correct lot size to use? So, whatever you have in your account, right? You figure out what 1 or 2 or 3% of that is, right? In money wise. And then you figure out how big the stops are in a trade. And then you make sure that your stops are no bigger than that 1 to 2% of your account and adjust your lot size accordingly. Are we not listening to the same music? Use a lot size. Calculate, yeah, you can use that to get it right, but like the basics of what you should be doing to calculate it. Yeah. Oh shit, you guys aren't seeing what I'm seeing. I just realized that on YouTube it's a different screen open than on Zoom, and I'm over here drawing on Zoom. You guys are, this is complete nonsense on YouTube. Let me get rid of that. Duh. Beep-dee-dee. Yo, Don's not just grabbing liquidity here. He's on the phone with the LPs right now, making sure we get this traded. It's in back office right now, talking to the liquidity providers. Talking about the 930 candle. Oh, shit. Yeah, drop some likes. 14 more for 300. Let's get this to 300 before he comes back. Surprise him. Drop a like, sub to the channel. Follow the IG. The homie's got 62K followers on IG, just blowing up. Doing something right. Anyone know an app besides MetaTrader to trade on? It all depends on the broker you're using. Whatever they provide, that you can trade on. Some brokers also provide CTrader. Some brokers also give you access to TradingView to trade. Hey, there we go. Over 300 likes. There you go. See? Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing. Okay. Well, now you know, Nico. Now you know.
Wait, he know.
Don't worry about it. We know. We know.
Man, sleeper stream today, huh?
Sleeper.
15 close below, huh? 8
That's
30
right.
close in 9 minutes. That 15 is a nice opening too. Yeah, top wick. Woo! Tell me we're going down, Paul. Tell me we're going down.
It's a sleeper trade right now. That's gonna run.
Well, I'll wake you up in 20 seconds. 20,
Massively run.
19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 12, or
Don't listen to
13,
him,
12,
chat. He's
11,
gonna keep
10,
going the down countdown for a while.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Start over.
Man, supposed to go down now, gold.
The LPs told you. You spoke to them.
I was on the call
before.
with the LPs real quick. Yeah, they said 920 here, but unfortunately, might be 921 maybe. 921 though, we'll be there. We'll be there.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3,
929. I see a little pullback too. They're gonna leave a wick.
1. 921. Man, come on, LP, make me look bad out here, man. Make me look bad out here. But watch, the moment we fake it out, we're coming off the stream, they're gonna move. If not one time, we hopped on the stream, just moved immediately the moment we hopped off the stream.
That was you. It's all about you. You hopped off the stream. I was there.
9 minutes.
Minute.
Where's Kieran today? I saw Kieran, but where's Kieran?
Where did you see him?
The chat.
Oh.
They're back to this song. How's their remix though?
Hey.
This show was playing at the grade 8 dances, bro. That show was crazy. When I was in grade 8, bro, this show was playing at the dances. Grade 8 though. Man. The high school dances in I don't know, man. I went to a Catholic school, bro, but the high school dances were wild. She was not Catholic at all, bro.
Because you went to a Catholic school.
I swear there were like nuns in there just breaking people off. Hey, with a flashlight, like, hey, what are you doing? We're having a field day. Are you gonna stop position right now? Waiting. No, I'm waiting here, but I assume that price may drive without us. I'm waiting for 9:30 here.
We're waiting for it to drive a little and pull back. Leave a nice wick for us.
Might as well wait for the 1 hour closure.
No,
It's gonna
might
drive.
happen on the
It might
30
drive right now without us, man. Like right now as we speak.
and come back for the 1 hour.
Nope, no coming back. Straight down, and then calling it a day.
No.
Gonna play hockey.
No. Okay, do it. Do it. Fuck it. Do it. World Cup. You got Uruguay. When is Uruguay playing? Off your back. Oh, pulled up. See? That's why we know
wait for
trades 50.
closures.
15.
That's why I wait for closures too. Oh yeah, no 15s. Yeah.
Well, because the thing 8:45, 9:15, 9:30, it pulls back. No, 4 hours. Pulling back for NYSE.
Crazy. Wow, might not get positions at all today, huh?
Yeah, no, okay, look at that. GJ reject.
GJ going the other way. Going the other way. Hey, if you close back to the range though, could that be a range one? On gold.
I don't know.
Let's see. Let's wait 4 minutes here. Might call that a day though. Potentially. Patience paid, alright. If you were impatient there, if you got FOMO, you would have got clapped. Alright, you don't want to get clapped. Let trades come to you. Don't come out the trades. Trades will always be there. Right? Let trades come to you. Come naturally to you. If it doesn't come natural to you, it's not a good trade. Crazy.
Just wait, a lot can happen here still. We got some time. We got 4 minutes. The thing is, you can have it trickle down, right? Like it's done previously. Wait, what are you watching? Like, 15.
Haven't been here for a while. Last time I saw your balance, I was like 130K. How'd you grow that? 3 months to grow. Like 30K to this is like, how much percent is that? Not that much. It's like what, 40%? Like I flipped it to 100% in a month. 3 months to get 4%. Not too bad. Yeah, it took time, man.
You see, Wix 9 respect the zone. Okay, that's fine. We're looking for this right here. See? We could respect it on this candle, respect it, but slowly break it. That's what we're gonna look for. Right? And if it doesn't do that here, we're not gonna take a trade. Very simple. No contradicting. It's just no trade if it doesn't do that. Not saying it will do that. I'm saying if it does that. I see.
Twist and turn and twist and turn. But yeah, the issue was that you didn't come here for a while. Why didn't you come here? It's because we had a bad month. We had a bad day. If you just tune in every day, you would have been fine by now. If you just tune into the streams every single day since, the last time you came here, you've been up the same amount too, right? But you have to stay consistent. You have to come every day. Every day at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, right? We have a different 4-hour time frames? Yeah, because you have different brokers, different rollover times. Just focus on your, like, whatever whatever analysis you've been following, whatever broker you've been following, continue to follow that broker. Don't worry about my charts. My charts look different. This is just what I've been looking at. I've always been looking at trading views 4-hour close, right? Not TD or different rollover times broker.
You know what? If it closes doji, we could have positions here on the 30.
I mean, we'll still be respecting that resistance there. I believe it's a crazy steeper wick at that point then, right?
If it closes doji here, it can, yeah, it can come up, make a much steeper wick, and it wouldn't matter.
1 hour time from now.
Because you can block this candle out. There's no decision in this candle. Next candle could literally come up to the 4-hour, previous 1 hour, previous 4-hour highs.
I'll probably wait for the 1 hour. But I don't know if I'll be waiting for the 1 hour stream here.
Of course. I mean, what else you gonna do?
Chat, not gonna lie, it's looking like it's I call it a day. Advice on how to learn when working a full-time job. I can't come to 9% of live streams. Trade Asian session. You got time for the Asian, right? You're not working 12 hours a day, right? Maybe like 9 hours, 8 full time. I'll be wrong though. I don't know. But if you have time for the Asian, you got time for London maybe still. Squeeze an hour in there. Squeeze like 30 minutes, an hour in there. Let's say in a day, man. Let's say you have tons of time. I'll tell you why. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah, 24 hours in a day. 8 hours of sleeping. Right? 8 hours roughly. That might be a little too much, but 8 hours work. Roughly. That's 16 hours. So how about the other 8 hours? How about those 8 hours? What are you doing during those 8 hours? Unless you're working 16 hours a day, then different story. But you have 8 hours left. What are you doing in those 8 hours? Okay, maybe 6 hours. You got to commute to work, right? Commute back, and you know you have to commute to all these things. But 6 hours remains. What are you doing in those 6 hours? Eat. Okay, eat. Maybe you have about. Okay. You have 1 hour. Eat combined. You don't gotta eat for that long. 2 hours travel. Okay, so that's 3 hours. Yeah, 5 hours remains. What are you doing with the 5 hours? Right? That was always away. Gym? Okay. I think that's a good one. Gym, maybe. Okay, let's put an hour there. An hour there. Gym, 4 hour remains. How about now? How about now? If you work full time and you go to school, okay, maybe different story. But if you don't have school and you just work, you have tons of time. The live stream, you can watch the replays, it'll be fine. As long as you learn from the live streams, right? You'll learn regardless if it's live or not live. Just ask questions when you can, right? Chat, I think we're done here, chat. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I think we are done here. We are finished. Finito. So my day is gonna be called at 9:32 here with 0 trades taken today. As you can see, 0 trades taken. But yeah, we'll be back tomorrow morning, okay, at 6:30 AM Eastern. All right, so I'll catch you guys then. Have a good day, chat. Thanks for coming by. Love you guys. Thanks everyone for helping out the channel, modding the channel up. But we'll be back tomorrow morning. I think tomorrow might be the last stream for the week, maybe because Thursday is Thanksgiving in the US, and then Friday is probably no stream because that's coma day, food coma day. No trades today. No, I had trades this month though. This month we're at 3-0 on stream this month, but overall this is my month so far. It's been a good month. All right, pretty good quarter 4, I'll say. Catch y'all tomorrow. I'm gonna do a Wordle real quick. We'll be right back. Maybe we might come back for a bit of the charts, but likely not. But we're gonna do a Wordle real quick, okay, chat? Wordle. If you're still trading, make sure you use protection. Make sure you stay safe. Use a stop loss. You know.
Hold on,
don't get caught lacking.
I need my brain power.
Oh, why is the Google Home thing Wordle today? Is that the goalie? Is that the word? Whoa, Google's homepage is Wordle. That's
Ooh.
crazy. Is it? Am I tripping? Maybe it's not. It's the theme. Trade, okay. Easy. This is so easy, bro. Groove. Like, get off
Stop.
my...
That's not groove. That's grove.
Oh, yeah, Grove. Oh, is groove. Prize. Easy, bro. Get off my level. Ah.
Tried. No. No. Price. Price.
What's the price?
Price action.
Prices. No.
Oh.
Oh, might be one of these days. Hold on. Prime. 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 Let's go.
Price was better.
Yeah, price is better.
We need another Wordle. We legit missed the week of Wordle.
Well, chat. I might catch y'all in the morning. Wix 9, shameless agent plug. Insert.
No agent tonight.
What?
But join us tomorrow for it's tonight's the holiday agent session. Closed. Banks are closed.
No. It's today. Don't worry. You're good. If you just imagine it's today, you'll be fine. You'll be alright.
Oh, it's
Wix.
tonight.
Wix ain't streaming agents tonight, so he's got to stream the London session, right?
This guy. I mean, if you want to join me for London, we'll do it together. Other than that, yeah, I'm going to be on here tomorrow for this New York session live stream. So join us back here tomorrow at 6:30 a.m. Eastern, live on YouTube, right? And I'm going to be on tomorrow for the Asian session live stream at 8 p.m. Eastern, live on YouTube. So that's tomorrow. No Asian tonight.
Catch y'all tomorrow, man.
Was high as me, I ain't gonna lie. I was fucking with this little wall, I think she buy. Tweaking the 6 God is coming back. Back outside, boys told the 70 on the strip, I'm ready to die. Cutting the traction, bet in the corner, bet I make shit glide. Try to bring the John, told me he ain't know how we cha-cha slide. I'll never lose sleep over no bitch, way too much pride. Fill it up in a briefcase, split the shit with the vibes. I don't know nothing about no crime or no news. I'm an eye, but I never tell you who. Wagon when she walks, she get on planes and take up two. My member just got out, he's still on paper, still a shoe.
Flex up, stretch out, big bands, whoa, whoa. 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 Bet you don't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you don't get no murders out me, bro.
Flex up, 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 steez up, steez up, steez up, steez up. Pick up the cake, yeah. I pick up the tray, yeah. Spread your bitch, she gave me face, yeah. I sprayed at the op, yeah. She got shot in the face. I'm on a codeine, I'm falling in love with codeine. I really be sipping the lean, I'm never sipping the green. I'm doing them drugs, me. I'm doing them drugs, me. That white hoe love me, that white bitch love me.
Flex up, stretch out, big band, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big band, whoa, whoa, whoa.
6 B's, Bentleys, APs, that shit like 2-piece, FNs, red dots, chop your height. His bitch posted a song, her story, now he tight. My bitch, she know better, she do that and she might die. I was buying Birkins at 18, that's why she don't mind the bees. Fuck you mean, my bird, fatal, rock 'em, cradle. I don't hang with bros, I don't take advice. Niggas snitching, meet in person, FaceTime bro device. Spent a quarter like a hoarder, ball like Jerry Rice.
Flex up, stretch out, big band, whoa, whoa. Flex up, stretch out, big band, whoa, whoa. Bet you don't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you don't get no murders out me. Bet you don't get no murders out me. Go tell the cops, I bet you don't get no murders out me. Flip flop, drop top, swipe out, photo roll, flip poppers, hit doctor, she spoil it up. Whoa, 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 big ass belt, Rocco, big ass chopper, rings line up. Whoa, 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 hella boppers, up me proper like
Just crash.
Mazayin, when I'm pulling off muddy dungarees, make the place look like a murder scene. When I make moves, I'm a money fiend.
Suicidal tendencies, what's up, man? Feel like I'm down, I say what's up. Way too golly, give me money. Cannot trust me, no one ever fucking bust me. Bust me. Look at shit. Feeling like these drugs make me better than I was, but I never felt love before the drugs. So now I say what's up, say what's up, yes. Feel to revert to my old ways. Cricket ticket strikes of cocaine, sticky fingers, shoplifters. We got tools like home base. Lift the finger, dug his own grave. Same with the same name. Closed case, red, white, no rose. Do genocide for the whole gang. You're telling lies, now I'm energized, I'm more precise. Walking made a big bang. Propane with the rock sand. Gin and tonic, I'm a bigger topic. Bigger pocket, can't close my wallet. Quicker blotting like my name's Sonic. Glass homes, we storm chocolate. Mazayin. When I'm pulling up, muddy dungarees. Make the place look like a murder scene. When I make moves, I'm a money fiend. Make the place look like a murder scene. When I make moves, I'm a money fiend.
Olive, body shaped like a bottle. Pop out off a spinach. Pop a model till she wallow. Drop a toddler off. Damn. Light a flame, toss a Molotov. Drop it off, then I mazel tov. Pop a whole goddamn champagne bottle cork. Still might find me in a mosh pit, and I still ain't even corporate. Walked in with who I work with. Yeah. Run up on you while you jogging. Make you listen to my Walkman. Mixtape shit streams, never seen make a whole boat sing. Watch all the hoes pay attention when I walk in. Stroll in like an old man, like a pot like Fozans. Niggas acting like close friends. Fam don't even know man. Tell the kids I'm a grown man. Pop 2 steps, slow dance. Got jokes, uptown, Harlem World, New York like I'm Pop Smoke. Ride around in the drop rolls, watching rats in the pot roast. Finger polish with the top coat, the bottom platinum or the top gold. Bling bling, that's a barcode. Ring ring, that's a smartphone. Beep beep, do your heart go? Slow tie, hear your park go.
Mazayin. When I'm pulling up, muddy dungarees. Make the place look like a murder scene. When I make moves, I'm a money fiend.
Postman. Who this? Telephone call from young Cardi, said it's slit. Call the young lord, A$AP Bari, he legit. Money in a young boy, he ain't kinda off the shit. Young lord with them boys out of Harlem, what a shit. This is Gosha, man, I pay for pussy, no sir. Ride a grocer, roller coaster.
I got money back. I'ma bag your bitch. I'ma buy your bitch. I got money back. I'ma cash the shit. I'ma cash the shit. Cash card, bitch. Cash card, bitch. Hey, you can have the shit. You can have the shit. You have the shit.
Godfather rap, nappy plaques to the back. James Brown swag. Papa's got a brand new bag. I don't know how to act. On the author record, Michael Wax. Harlem back up on the map. True New Yorker, knock the apple out you jack. Pop the snap the cap. Pop facts. Gucci and Dior bidding wars. Who wore the piece before it hit the floor? Not even should you see overseas in stores. Who else with me? I know you seen the fall. Commend your boy, I've been the Lord. Holy Tabernacle, Mrs. Mac, your favorite rapper. Greedy for the fat guys splatter. Killing niggas, even though Black Lives Matter. Weak stomach flow, make him throw up. Stepping stoner, I'm your stepfather. Tell Tyler better step his flow up. Mix the pole with the Pepsi Cola. Next tell or the Motorola. Young nigga probably never grow up. Postman with the telephone. Ring, ring, ring. Postman. Who this?
Fuck with Taco, fuck with Jazz, but fuck with Lionel, man, that shit is gon' get sketchy. Shirt is striped, my shorts just shows my Vans advance, cause Tyler does not fuck with Giuseppe. Fuck the Gucci, fuck the Rap, and fuck the swag and all that other shit they wearing. Fuck the Rose and fuck the Rari, fuck the Lambo, Tyler only ride McLaren. Niggas think they really own because they trapping made about like 30,000. Fuck the party through the carnival attendance, this shit was like 30,000. Shopping ball and opal fire, diamond shine and make sure my sapphires glistening. Make this shit, I wear this shit, they cop this shit, it's golf, you bitch, you niggas trippin', I'm a businessman. You ain't never been the man. Nigga tax bracket change like have you seen my home? Crib got a tennis court, get my Venus and Serena on. Golf in this bitch, better ring the doctor. Ambulance come when I hit the scene. That boy flied in a bag of bees. I got my flowers, life's a jeweler. Diamond finger, size of a tumor. He's a genius, have you heard the rumors? He's a winner, nope, not a loser. Fuck passing blunts, press my niggas opportunities. Goddamn, I'm hot, man, I'm not scared to freeze. January, Hawaiian shirts. Boy, this weather ain't got a thing on me. Where's the mirror? I'm that nigga. Kuta ain't got much shit on me. Cause I'm a master, I hit my own back. To be like y'all boys, my nigga, fuck that. Let's go, bitch.
Doing it for yams, ayy, ayy. I used to do it for the grams, ayy, ayy. That's way before Instagram, ayy, ayy. I used to serve it to your mans, ayy. Postman. Who this? Walk, leash, walk, 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 leash, 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 walk, 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 fucking blessing, paper, the band for band.
I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for gazy. I blow the bag today. Walk in the mall and go crazy. I blow a bag today. I buy the whip on the bed. I blow a bag today. I put the whip on the bed. I blow a bag today. I blow a bag today. I blow a bag today. Try to go for me so crazy. I blow a bag today. I blow a bag today. I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for gazy. I had the bag today. I blow the bag today. I had to grab the right. I had to grab the right. I had to change the safe. I had to change it. I know a bag today. Money you change it. I do nothing for the fame. I change it, but they gon' change it. I know I came from private. I got my name from private.
I don't know what that was.
I know for sure. My granddad was living. I know I'd be proud of me. I know for sure. Living. I know I'd be proud of me. I know for sure. As long as I was living, you never would doubt me. I know for sure. I live with these diamonds. Just check out my clarity. Gotta just check out this clarity. I guess I feel like a parachute. I pull up right now and embarrass you. I saw the crack on my avenue. Only the strong survive. I'm just enjoying my life. I blow a bag today. I don't do nothing for gazy. I blow the bag today. Walking in my leg go crazy. I blow a bag today.
All day, nigga. How long you niggas ball? All day, nigga. How much time you spent at the mall? All day, nigga. How many runners do you got on call? All day, nigga. Swish. How long they keep you in call? All day, nigga. Take you to get this fly. All day, nigga. Tell your P.O. how long you been high? All day, nigga. Already know, straight from the shop. All day, nigga. Top, side. All day, nigga. This shit, nigga. Shopping for the winner and it's just made, nigga. Ball so hard, man, this shit crazy, nigga. He ain't getting money unless you got 8 figures. For that G's a piece, man, I been say, nigga. Just talk to fair con, that sensei, nigga. Told him I've been on 10 since the 10th grade, nigga. Got a middle finger longer than the Kim, baby, nigga. I don't let them play with me. I don't let them talk to me no kind of way. They better watch what they say to me. Nigga still getting popped on the day-to-day. Yeah, I still got the 100 with a small face, nigga. Might spend 50 racks in my off day, nigga. You a fake DNZ like the all say, nigga. If you run it to me, better have all stay with you. You a Rico Suave, nigga. Ride around, listen to Sade, nigga. If you ain't with us, you an our way, nigga. You an actor, you should be on Broadway, nigga. Cause you do shit the Broadway, nigga. Your bitch got an ab of a Broadway thicker. Late for the class in the hallway, nigga. Yeah, the dropout at it as always, nigga. As always. All day, nigga. I took a young sweet breath and I reached into my earth. Gave him what I had left. At that moment I dispersed. At that moment I dispersed. All day, nigga. How long you ball? All day, nigga. How much time you spent at the mall? All day, nigga. How long it take you to get the fly? All day, nigga. Take your P.O. How long you been high? All day, nigga. Post some here no for my niggas that died. All day, nigga. And I keep a bad bitch on the passenger side. All day, nigga. Already know, straight from the shop. All day, nigga. Side.
off top, run a nigga out his socks. Niggas talk more than bitches, niggas really be on cock though. Just fucked the hoe out in France, paint her face like Picasso. I iced out my vatos, I'm really up. Big ass beamer, big bands in my Bentley next. Don't play around on my phone, ho, give me sex. Watch on my wrist, out of date, but it's Rolex. Grizzly up next, I'm up now, strap your bullet vest.
550, 600 hundreds, 720s, let's get straight to it. 810s, what's that 8 bands? Hit the store and get some rubber bands, let's get straight to it. Everybody come together, everybody got the plan. He came with you, so if he steal it, fall on you, we on your ass. Hey, yo, mans, call his mans, make sure they ain't moving fast. Soon as they touch Atlanta, get with both, secure the bag, nigga.
Back security, that's on my mama, bro. Ace a little hoe, she right that dick, Yokohama flow. Made that shit double, got a Uzi, I don't scuffle, not a banger, but that banger in my glove like an airbag. Niggas only aiming in the sky, call those Air Max. All up in demons, copping shit like fuck a price tag. I'm ballin', ain't there a right nigga in the game that I'm calling. If I need help, about dollars by my CKL.
You swear your bitch faithful, she sent her location. I hit her at the trap indicator, she basic. Chop with the laser, get decapitated. Can't smoke, I'm on papers, hold on, this my Jamaica. Love one. Niggas want me dead, so I'm steady praying. Ain't no disrespect without retaliation. Fuck a hotel, I hit her in the basement. Text her later like I'm done with you, I got a situation, baby.
Well shit, bro, let me get her then. I'm a dogger out the switcheroo to the lion's den. Nigga talking down my bro, got more heat than a frying pan. Gucci around my hair, wrapped tight like I'm Taliban.
Like I'm Taliban, how we drop shit. Lot of dreadheads, lot of chopsticks. Touch my nigga, Yachty, get your top ripped. Don't ask the price if you know you ain't tryna cop shit.
You the type to look around but never cop shit. Ay, I'm the type to buy the store, make them restock it. Ay, beam on everything I own, I will not miss. Grizzly by my side like a pilot riding cockpit.
Yachty, I might stop rapping for this one reason. If the feds hear this shit, I'm doing 100 seasons. In the hood, shooting craps in my Yeezys. Put angels on you niggas who be playing like y'all demons.
Middle finger to them niggas hating and faking, they playing on my death. I get they mothers deep penetration. This diamond choker for some reason, give me pure ventilation. Every real nigga living will respect this collaboration.
We the bust down brothers, check the rollies out. Say you winning one more time, I'm pulling trophies out. Niggas know we out, no sex, all Kobe's out. In other words, I'm with all shooters that'll blow you down.
From the D to the A, put respect on it. If that's your hoe on my dick, got a mouth on it. I'm from the south, I got diamonds in my teeth, I got fur on my fleece. My new ring can pay your lease,
nigga. Chain on my dresser next to my indictment. When they said not guilty, I was so excited. From the A to the D, bitch, you heard Yachty. Rape coming this summer, I'ma have your bitch driving.
Oh, fly shit, I used to go to school like this. Oh, white kicks, my shoelaces say shoelaces. Orange tiger on my shirt, I miss some Gucci shit. She keep lying on my dick, she on some hoochie shit. We pull up in 20 Rarries on some movie shit. I will never say I'm sorry to a goofy bitch. Slide up on her, drop her off and let my goonie hit. You a dirty little thot, you little stupid bitch.
Bitches in my phone taking space up, yeah. No, I can't be lagging, got my face up, yeah. Drip more purple than a Laker, yeah. Eyes more red than a laser, yeah. Faces on me bigger than Fantasias, yeah. Shakespeare on a bitch named Anastasia, yeah. You can get her back, I'm not a savior, yeah. Rolling on your exes, Charlie Xavier, yeah. I ain't got no service, call me late, yeah. Ride right past on me haters, yeah. I done spit raw on me laces, yeah. Feds got us on they papers tryna trace me, martial law with the moves tag. Gun, ball. With my brodies, bell with dances and one. Bitch, you hungry, you and your friend can't come. More to make the hood hop, J. Quan. She know I got more sauce than A1. Supposed to be at a gathering at 1. Hey, Sean Carter bag, I'm trying to catch one. She TMQ, tell me quick, it wasn't fast one.
She wanted me to clean her mess, but I got on her mess. She tried to catch me on a snap before I got undressed. If I don't pull up in no black, I pull up in no red. 30,000 on a rollie, my little bitch a brat. I'm in my bag now, I'm OD. I ain't never had no OD. I get money, it ain't low key. Hit her once and then I proceed.
No rap cap. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drinking this clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. Carlos, I go loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread the bricks and the bells down. Cashing in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. Money calling, I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. It's
said, gonna you the best. I done went and got a check. I'm about to flex. It's an automatic baguette. Rocket diamonds on wet. I got water around my neck. I just start to worry less. When I bought my bitch legs. High tech my fridge. Niggas sending me threats. I done bought another vest. I'm protecting my flesh. Nigga paw my back. Fendi fur on my hat. I don't have no wrecks. I can never get attacked. I shit like a scene now. I got back on my feet now. I can take out my team down. I'ma hold my whole team down. Niggas hate, I don't see how. Made it out of the dumb south. And I don't even know how. About to pull me a Benz out. I took the top off. I'm dripping like hot sauce. I got drink and it's clean raw. Baby, give me that mean mouth. Hit that pussy like golf ball. I can do this without y'all. Caught a loss, I go loco. I go back to the trap house. Spread that bitch and the bells down. Cash it in and I cash out. Turn that shit to a stash house. I ain't taking no handouts. When they callin', I'm in route. For them niggas, they been down. Blow it back when I'm in town. Yeah, I drip when I'm in town. I'm just tryna stay inbound. And I'm making my cash cow. Gunna came with his own sound. You ain't still in this flow now. Blowin' smoking is so loud. I been bringing these hoes out. Gonna get in his zone now. Eat a green salad. Yeah, niggas still rapping. Rats got me relaxing. Bought me a gold paddock. Flying, I'm flashing. Yeah, nigga, we heaven. Tell me your profession. We can't make it active. Why I sell legends? I shit like a scene now. I got back on my feet now. I can take out my team down. Turbo. Baby, sold out dates, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. A DD this sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket all white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got a maid. Her ape in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade. Know the back end, I'm back on the road. Know the protect, paid off her show. Dripping this rough, more this V long. Hoes by the pair, I'm never alone. Sleep on the lair, come on, they go soft. 8 in a 2, and lit it is all. Bombing my dinner, young gon' wanna ball. Rock the whole concert and hot than a frog. My foreign's a toy, I'm still a kid. 10K this year for Coachella is lit. Bro got umbrellas to cover her wig. Open some money, let them in a trench. Lightning bolt diamonds, cause I been revenge. We straight like a lineman, I really got rich. Some more fancy yellow diamonds in my pits. Don't get it confused, I'm still banging the seat. New Cartier, kinda a done. Nigga try soak up the drip like a sponge. Hatred's contagious, I keep me a gun. I'm focused on making that M in a month. Baby order 20,001. Walking in by, I'm not asking how much. I'm right on the bottom, you need to catch up. Consistency dropping, I need me a dub. Sold out licks, cash every day. I got you a mace, I light up blue rays. This cheat on my pet, the condo a cage. A DD this sex, I gotta get laid. My jacket all white, don't mean that it's beige. I clean up real nice, I don't got an A. I ain't in the night, I'm still rocking beige. Live on paradise, I don't see the shade.
Don't store that ass on me. I don't want that girl cause she want me cause the cash on me. Yeah, you know she capping, homie. Dread like that cap on me. Back then they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Back then they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Back then they napped on me. Now they all just act on me. Now I'm out there all on me. Pull out the Snapchats on me. I ain't got no Snapchat, homie. I think it's too personal. That's what I got Twitter for. Instagram, I'm back, yo. Like flex on you haters. Hi haters. This is my world, so it's all in my favor. I like all girls, yeah, all type of flavors. That don't matter, cause I just got my best. Everybody know I'm better. Hey, yeah, I'm better. Hey, it don't matter. Hey, pockets fatter. Hey, nowadays I'm on my haters, they got sadder. Hey, that's money longer. Hey, different song, bruh. Hey, different producer. I can do anything and I won't lose her. She got right with a winner, left that loser. Hey, talking shit, boy, make me get my Ruger. Yeah, I sell my Ruger. All my niggas, they shooters. Rocking them grills all the way till my tooth hurt. Oh, he cold? Well, I swear that I'm cooler. That ain't no Rollie, bitch, this is a Frank Mueller. Yeah, Frank Mueller. Boy, I start on the bottom, made my way to the top. Boy, I'm gon' keep winning. No, I cannot stop. Remember I had a little turned that shit to a lot.
I did.
Always been 100. Put that on my block.
Oh yeah.
Used to want that 4-door. Now I want that drop. Yeah, now I do what I want. 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 Girl, you see me getting this money. Whoa, please don't front. In Fish Club when I'm eating. Whoa, what's for lunch? And them boys back home be talking, but I won't get touched. Think to myself how I'll survive. No one who I trust. Yeah, no one who I trust. Who them niggas know they not with us. Yeah, all these girls, yeah, I ain't gonna lie. That's all I hear, slick hate. So, yeah, I told y'all, so I made it mine. Yeah, I told y'all, so I made it mine. Jump in the Porsche rather than not. I changed your life, now you gon' ride. Ooh, sing, he ain't got no money. Yeah. 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 She had a nigga that was on the music scene.
What? Thought he was me?
Had a nigga thought he was going straight to the league.
Yeah, straight to the.
Yeah, fuck with my baby, I swear that nigga gon' bleed. Yeah, she let that boy ride for me. Stay on my P's and my Q's. Yeah, stay on my Q's and my P's. Cause that could happen to me. Yeah, I'll bring that girl to the big league. Yeah, diamond that's all on my teeth. Yeah, diamond that's all on my teeth. Yeah, put my girl in a new shirt now, and I got her new waves. Yeah, put my girl in a new shirt now, and I got her new waves. Like ha ha, oh well, now your girl with me. Like Austin was holding her up. Yeah, boy please. Like bye bye Austin. Hello to love. Yeah, I told y'all, so I made it mine. Yeah, I told y'all.
I was looking for a girl. I don't know.
So I made it mine. Jump in the Porsche rather than not. I changed your life, now you gon' ride. Ooh, sing, he ain't got no money. Yeah. 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 Yeah, 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 yeah. For my dogs, wait, watch out. Lambo, that bitch.
I cannot stand on the drama, the guns are talking, they moving like zombies. Trusting nobody. I cannot love her, but I said I love her cause I was so gone to the Molly. Sorry, run up deep to the party. Only Uber big body till I caught that Rari. Push the start, no car key. I am so sick of these bitches, they tripping. I swear that they left for Kalani. Too many phonies around me, they keeping me cautious. I keeping them borrowed. Kilimanjaro, perk drink, no taro. Sipping the model, fucking the models. Just hit the lotto. Gucci my goggles. I turn my head when they talking that nonsense and fake conversation on me. Breathing and blind, they hating on me. Couple and send a location on me. I got a lot of my conscious and demons, they calling it Jesus, they weighing on me. What do I see? Baby Cardi and friend. Big bands in my vault. Hey, I said want me flaunt. Hey, I said want me bump. Kitty me hogging the ball. Skirt up and four and I'm gone. I see me from far. She tryna beat me, it's hard. Flex on you, I hurt your heart. Como they coming in Bravo. Smell like they don't take a barna. My gang, I never dishonor. Money ain't made me piranha. Money ain't gave me Nirvana. My gang, I never dishonor. I want to act like McDonald's. I want to act like McDonald's. I go fly from a West and then next day woke up a West in Toronto. Hey, big bands in my vault. Hey, big bands in my vault. Hey, big bands in my vault. Big bands in my vault. Big bands in my vault.
All right, chat. I think that's about it. I think we're done for a day, right?
For 2 days.
Yeah, like I think that's it.
Call it a year.
Call it a year?
Yeah,
You think?
I think so.
You think so?
Call it something.
You got a D-stack speed?
Nigga, this is what that jungle do.
Nah.
You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you.
This is the intro to tomorrow's stream. Starting right now.
Yeah, I started in the back, had to skip the line, no. I'ma keep that shit a stack till my fucking time go. Niggas throw you in the shade cause they wanna shine, no. Nigga throw me in the grave in the Ferragamo. Man, I can't believe they killed my fucking bro Quado. Shit was so deep, I had to say that with my eyes closed. That shit made me wanna treat a nigga like he John Doe. Nah, I know me Rondo, now that nigga John Doe. Huh? This is all I ever wanted, nigga. Why would I let you take it from me, nigga? I ain't stupid, ain't no dummy, nigga. A couple fingers on a couple triggers. Fuck with you, why would I fuck with you? You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've been watching from the jump with you. Fuck it, this is what that jungle do. Started what I started. Anybody want a problem? This is my shit. Tell them if they want a problem. I'm from Highbridge. Got a nigga with a shotgun up in my whip. Making bitches go retarded with this hard dick. Why you think my name is artist? I'm an artist. I woke up to a Menage. I'm just being honest. I get money if I want it. I'm a carpet. If a nigga wants static, let him have it. Have you ever seen a mini semi-automatic? It go thumb like a drum, hit a beat blasting. When it come to that fire, I'ma fucking drag it. Huh? Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. You been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I should've never even fuck with you. I was walking in the rain with my Tim's on, stepping over puddles full of pain. It's a big storm. 13 on my bull mains. It's a big storm. In the club, let them make it rain. Like what, nigga? We don't fall with you. No, I'm all about my box, nigga. I don't trust niggas. Ever since I was a young nigga, coming up, nigga. Ain't nobody show me love, nigga. So it's fault, niggas. It's just us, nigga. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. That jungle turned me to a monster. That jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster. The jungle made me go harder. The jungle turned me to a monster. Nigga, this is what that jungle do. Nigga, this is what the jungle do. Been plotting, nigga, wasn't you? I'm back now. What the fuck is that song? What the fuck is that song? Put the Mac out, nigga, side down. I got shit I never had now. I can brag now. Got my bitch a Louis bag now. She can brag now. But my bitch a Birkin bag now. She a brag now. Now I'm sitting in a club in a different bag now. Baby, when I pick it up, you gon' put that ass down. Tell him you don't give a fuck. Baby, spin that ass round. Tell her DJ, turn it up. What the fuck is that sound? Ayy, Boogie with the hoodie and it's always foreign. Yeah, I know she like my style of mother niggas boring. When I pull up big ol' skirt, that's a